Everyone comes to me and says कि हमें 9 to 5 का जॉब नहीं करना. मैं उनको पूछती हूँ ठीक है चलो 9 to 5 नहीं करना है तो क्या करना है. I live in a very small conservative middle class family. गलती से किसी ने पढ़ लिया ना. It's like my dad built it for me but I couldn't take care of his kingdom.
You can never knock me. You can never stop.
Welcome Kanishka on Jashan Talks, and I'm really excited to have you, and I really wanted to have you from very long period of time because what you are doing is completely different, and उस चीज के लिए मैं आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखना चाहता हूँ, and I'm sure listeners want to learn too. And welcome again.
Thank you so much, Jashan. You say that and you know you're so humble कि आप ऐसे लोगों को बताते हो that you're learning from them. I just want to take this opportunity to tell you that although I've not told you this before, but I've learned so much from you indirectly. I was a person जिसको बहुत सालों से जल्दी सोना और जल्दी उठना था. But you know, you putting those stories every day made me feel like नहीं अब तो मुझे करना ही है. So in spite of having a hectic night or you know because my trainings happen at night, I make it a point कि मुझे थोड़ा जल्दी उठना ही है. And you know, it's like your brain gets programmed because you constantly keep on putting stories like those and all. There has been so many things that indirectly I've learned from you too. Thank you so much for having me. It's an honor for me to actually be on your podcast.
That's very sweet of you to say. Okay, so I know you are doing multiple things, okay? So, but I want you to describe for the listeners okay, what exactly you do and how are you scaling?
Right, got it. So I know that I keep on telling my story, pehle se journey to everyone, but I'll cut that short and I'll tell you like how did I start all of this during lockdown. Like you know, हमेशा मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे बताया नेक्स्ट क्या करना है. That's because you know they've always said that we know better and definitely they do know better my capabilities as to what I can do. But what happened was in lockdown, my parents, like specifically my dad, he was a frontline worker and वो full day बाहर रहते थे. You know, like helping people. Spray karwana, everything. So it made me feel like, can I also do something for the society? You know, of course, it comes in genes. Ke, okay, jaise wo help kar raha hai, main bhi kuch help karu.
Completely.
Yeah, definitely. And then, you know, I thought maybe I'll leverage my degree and my specific certification with this. And मैंने सोचा इतना course करके रखा है career counseling का, why not I start with this? But I was a little underconfident. Just while coming, I was talking to a friend and I was telling him that I know I have the qualities, but why do I overthink? Why do I sometimes think that, okay, am I good enough? I'm sure that all of us would be thinking that. And the reason why I'm saying this out loud on your podcast is because these feelings are normal to have. These feelings are natural to have. When I started out, I was scared and I was thinking कि क्या मैं ये कर पाऊंगी? Will I be able to give the right information to all of these people? So when I started with this, I thought, chalo main ek kaam karti hu. I'll get experts on my Instagram live sessions. I never thought of being a creator. I never thought of starting my podcast or interview series. I just thought I'll get people who have inspired me. Like there was this guy called Piyush Kukreja who told me about digital marketing. There was this girl who's Miss India multinational, Tanvi Malhara, who told me about RJ because I talk well. So I thought, chalo inse baat karte hain. With time, like probably the third or fourth podcast, the third or the fourth one interview, I had a person who had around 1 million followers back then. He's Abhinav, I write what you feel. And I was like, okay, this is working well. So why not do it? The first takeaway that I want people to take from this is that sometimes things happen on your own. अगर आप वो चीज कर रहे हो जो आपको पसंद है, even if you have doubts about yourself, start. The most important thing that people don't do is they don't start. So I started. It worked out well. I kept on going with the flow. People don't go with the flow. वो लोग डर जाते हैं. And I thought, चलो ठीक है ये करते हैं. And then वो सिलसिला start हो गया. Within a span of 2 to 3 months, I realized, okay, now I'm confident and I know I have all of this knowledge. जो guests आके बोल रहे, of course I knew about it. So then I started my first business of career counseling in the month of June last year. June end, July start में. And it worked pretty well. What happened during that phase only कि मैंने launch किया और next day Abhi and you indirectly mentioned me in a story like without knowing that I've launched something like that. So I started getting so many entries. It was very overwhelming because मेरा system place नहीं था. I knew bookings होते थे and it was automated, but system नहीं था. So for business owners, so I'm just giving takeaways from everything. For business owners, even if you have everything automated, if you don't have a system, it's going to fail. And I won't say fail in that way. It'll be overwhelming for you. So मेरा system place में नहीं था. I started off, I am in a counseling session and 15 minutes पहले counseling sessions book हो रहे. And I couldn't address all of that. I'm like, wait, what's happening? I don't know how to handle this. And I didn't have a team member also at that time. So I started doing that. It worked pretty well. I realized that I can really help students. But then something hit. What happened is 2 sessions mein aisa hua that I told them, okay, this sounds new to me. Let me get back to you. Again, I started getting those feelings. Ki, am I not good enough? I've started this. I'm helping people. Probably out of 10, there's one person that I'm telling them I'll get back to you. And I did get back to them. So I did a master certification program for in career counseling only. I said, chalo dekhte hai, is there something to learn more? And when I went to that session, I paid a heavy amount. And in that heavy amount, सब कुछ सेम था जो मैं ऑलरेडी कर रही थी. Then why was I still having doubts? But मैम ने एक लाइन बोली, 4th डे पे मैम ने एक लाइन बोली जिससे मुझे लगा मेरा पैसा वसूल है. She said, you're a human, not just me. सबको indirectly she was just saying that you're a human. It's not practically possible for you to have all the information. So if someday you tell your students that I'll get back to you, it's okay. What matters is, are you still able to help them? And that's when I became very confident in what I was doing. And with time, I realized, okay, this was a smooth process. I had an organized system and I had everything for myself. Then in the span of 9 months, in the month of March, which also I had planned from the month of October last year, I launched my second business, which is of strategic marketing, because I realized that I had become a creator. And I was realizing the gap that creators had in monetizing. So I started helping them. I started telling them that how should you actually grow on different platforms, and anyone who wants to monetize, anyone who wants to grow in their personal brand, I started helping them. So in the span of 9 months, I launched another business in March. Again, I had those thoughts. Am I not good enough? What is happening? Maybe am I lacking somewhere? I did not have a system again. So with time, I did that. And like this month, we complete 9 months of the second business. And this month, I'm going to launch another business of mine, which is of growth influencing, where I'll be able to reach out to more creators, more influencers, and help them better as to how can they grow on every other platform, but mainly Instagram. So this was the journey that I started. The reason why I also wanted to tell everyone through this podcast is we all have our own share of overthinking thoughts, it comes in time and again. Even the best of best, I've spoken to so many influencers, so many successful people, and they all tell me it's okay. It's thoughts that they have 3-4 times a day, not like once a while, 3-4 times a day. That's okay. I spoke to Pranit, Fitness Talks with Pranit, and sir tells me, mujhe bhi hota hai wo, roz hota hai. And I'm like, okay, I'm not alone. So
no, you're not.
I think aisa hi silsila hai.
And I think it's the best thing that you'll said that I'll get back to you, because most of the people end up giving wrong advice because they don't want to tell that they don't have any advice.
Right.
तो ये बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है, especially in fitness industry, because in fitness advice has to vary from person to person. You have to look through the person. You have to look through his. मतलब अगर मेरे को कोई sugar addict आके पूछेगा that should I quit sugar, I'll say yes, you should. Okay, but if you're not addicted in sugar and I know you can manage in moderation, then I'll say okay, do it in moderation.
Definitely.
Advice person to person vary करती है, and most of the people cannot say this that I'll get back to you later. उनको लगता है कि नहीं, I have to give something, and most of the people then end up giving wrong advice. In my case, destroy the person's health. Okay, थोड़ा सा. Okay, in your case, it can affect the career. Okay,
definitely it is such an important part along with health. Like career is like तुम्हारी life उस पे depend करती है because you're earning because of it that way. Jashan, I have a question for you. Like, do you have overthinking thoughts? How do you tackle them? What do you do?
I overthink a lot. I was overthinking in my in that much manner that I was suffering in my imagination more than in reality. And
Exactly.
so I created stories. I fought in my stories. I answered in my stories. I was peaceful in my stories. So there was this an imagination I was living. And 2-3 महीने पहले I just started one habit. I started journaling. And it changed everything. Because once you write down those thoughts and you read them and you understand how foolish it is or how meaningful it is, it shifts your perspective in huge. Okay, so whenever I'm feeling overwhelmed, I just pick up pen and paper and start writing. Okay, even if you want to throw a page up, gear those ko far do, doesn't matter, but just pick up pen and paper. And वो बहुत ज्यादा पर्सपेक्टिव तुम्हारा चेंज हो जाता है, क्योंकि तुम्हें रियलाइज होता है कि यार ये जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ, जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ, इसमें से एक्चुअल में कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. ये सब कुछ मेरे दिमाग में है. And I have skill more than I can realize. I have skill more than I can manage. and I can actually impact lives of people if I want to.
Very
And
true, very
तो
true.
वो उसमें फोकस बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा, एंड कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं, इफ यू, आई थिंक, जो अगर आप अपनी हैबिट बना लो ना, लोग कभी कभी करते हैं वो चीजें, ठीक है, लाइक रीडिंग अ बुक, लाइक रिफ्लेक्टिंग बैक ऑन देयर थॉट्स, लाइक जर्नलिंग, मेडिटेशन, लोग कभी कभी करते हैं जब प्रॉब्लम में है। मैं बोलता हूँ अगर डेली करो तो वो तुम प्रॉब्लम में आओगे ही नहीं बहुत हद तक। तो
Right.
I'm trying to do that. I'm trying to do that.
Definitely. Just one more thing I want to add. So this happened with me in my first year. Okay. So my parents wanted me to do engineering, and you know, my story sabko batati hu. So when I went into engineering, I was like, I hate these people. I hate my college. I hate my teachers. I hate these. kahan aa gayi hu main? Kya chal raha hai life mein? And then I met this one person in college, and that person sits with me and says, "Acha, tell me, explain it to me. What do you not like?" And when I started explaining, I realized, wait, is this all in my head? And since then, you know, since my first year, because first year was a very bad phase, tab se touch wood, thank God I started asking myself. I look in the mirror and I talk to myself and I say, what is the problem? So but the reason is that I have tried journaling. The reason why journaling didn't work for me is because I live in a very small conservative middle class family. गलती से किसी ने पढ़ लिया ना, problem हो जाता है.
Yeah, exactly. That is another form of reflecting back. Okay, why is this happening? Okay, you're talking to yourself. You're hearing your thoughts from neutral perspective, as if another person.
Right.
So that is a kind of, I think, reflection. मैं journaling करता हूँ वैसे मेरे ऑफिस में तो nobody can touch my diary. But like if anybody wants to journal, you can just write and throw the page. It doesn't have to stay with you. I don't go back and read my pages, to be honest. Okay, it's just to bring your thought to the page and ताकि तुम reflect back कर सको. So I was के is it from my end या किसी, मतलब बहुत चीजें पता लगती हैं, तो it's another form of reflection that you are saying कि I look in the mirror and talk. So I think it's very good what you are doing. And another thing I want to ask you is, when students come to you for career counseling, what is the biggest or the most foolish excuse you have ever heard most of the times? Why are you even considering this factor in choose for career?
Got it. So first of all, I would take this opportunity to explain what career counseling is. Now, there are different types of career counselors. Now, people don't understand the difference between a consultant, a counselor, and a coach. So consultant क्या होता है ना? Consultant is just someone who tells you what to do. It's just someone who will say कि तुम ये कर लो. You get admission in this university. So when someone ties up with a university, that is why when you go to some career consultant in your local area, in some class, so they have tied up with a lot of universities. So वो लोग वो university से tie up करते हैं and they tell them that okay, here's where you can get admission and we'll help you with it. Just like study abroad consultants.
वो conflict of interest हो जाता है वहाँ पे.
Can be, but again, they give the best one because they have so many universities कि वो आपको आपके capability and marks के according best बताएंगे. But that is consulting. What I do is counseling, which involves psychology. So when someone comes, सबसे पहले तो I'll try to understand, is there something which is, you know, something which haunting them from past this thing? Maybe if they don't want to do this job, maybe if they don't want to do this, is there something that's troubling them? So that is one thing I try to analyze, which also dives deeper into psychology. And the third thing is coaches that take like a 3 months program with them and try to sort their career problem, everything. Now, what happens in career counseling is, career counseling में भी बहुत सारे type के counselors होते हैं. So what do I do is I try to tell people that this is the path you should go in. This is the problem. This is the solution. Now it is up to you what to choose. I don't tell them कि आप ये college में जाओ या तो आप ये path choose करो. We give them different paths. We open doors for them that way. Now, I personally wouldn't say that anything is foolish when they ask, but one very common misconception that students or even working professionals have is that they say that we don't want a 9-to-5 job. Now, what is the definition of 9-to-5? Everyone comes to me and says कि हमें 9-to-5 का job नहीं करना है. They don't understand कि अगर मैं उनको पूछती हूँ ठीक है चलो 9-to-5 नहीं करना है तो क्या करना है, तो दे लाइक कोई इंटर्नशिप दिला दो सोशल मीडिया में. तो ऐसे क्यों, वो 9-to-5 नहीं है, दैट इज स्टिल लाइक 10-to-6 का, इट्स स्टिल अ जॉब, राइट? दे डोंट रियलाइज दैट ये जो फैड बन गया है ना, दैट स्टार्ट समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन, स्टार्ट अ स्मॉल बिज और वर्क इन अ स्टार्टअप. वर्किंग इन अ स्टार्टअप इज नॉट 9-to-5. So
that's 24/7.
Exactly, but still their working hours is 10-to-6 only, 9-to-5 only.
अरे एग्जैक्टली वो ज्यादा है, आई थिंक वर्कलोड उसमें ज्यादा होता है, कम नहीं होता। बिकॉज वो
So
तुम उसमें सिस्टम सारा बना रहे हो, तुम जिस कंपनी में 9 to 5 जॉब करोगे उसमें ऑलरेडी सिस्टम मैनेज्ड है, यू जस्ट हैव टू प्लग योरसेल्फ इन।
it's not just about that only. They've created this thinking in their head about 9 to 5. I have worked in a 9 to 5. It wasn't bad. It was about how you perceive it to be that matters. This is one misconception. The second misconception, which is related to this and what I've seen people do, is I have a very dear friend, जिसकी sister came to me and she says, दीदी पापा मुझे बोल रहे हैं मेडिकल करने। मैंने बोला अच्छा तो मुझे मेडिकल नहीं करना है। मैं बोला क्यों नहीं करना है? तो बोला बस नहीं करना है, मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, माय पेरेंट्स आर फोर्सिंग मी टू डू मेडिकल। I said, okay, they're forcing you to do medical, but what else do you want to do? Do you like arts? Do you like fashion? She's like, नहीं मुझे उसके बारे में मालूम नहीं है। मैंने बोला, do you like commerce? तो बोला नहीं मुझे accounting और maths पसंद नहीं है। तो I'm like, so why do you not want to do medical? तो ना it's become a fad कि पेरेंट्स ने बोला ना कुछ करने तो मुझे नहीं करना है वो। They don't have a vision.
Because they are highlighting because like they have become the part of the problem, they have no solution of it.
Yes.
That's why their parents basically force के तुम्हारे पास कुछ है तो है नहीं तो हमारी ही सुनो।
I spoke to her parents. उसके parents force करा भी नहीं उन्होंने. They said, Kanishka, she is not good in art. वो जो drawing दिखाती है ना, she literally traces it from her iPad. She's not good in art and fashion. She doesn't like commerce. Medical is the most easiest field for her because we'll help her financially to set up her clinic if she studies, and she studies well. So I said, that sounds like a good plan. What is the problem? So it's because people like me who put up stories like, I didn't listen to my parents forced me. I'm being very honest, but they don't realize the aspect that I had a plan. I knew what I wanted to do other than engineering. These people don't know that. वो लोग सिर्फ one part लेते हैं and then they'll be like, आपके भी तो parents ने आपको force किया था। तो I'm like, they forced me मेरी इच्छा के against. आपकी कुछ इच्छा तो हो. So these two things, when people come to me and say 9 to 5 नहीं करना है, but they go into something much deeper and then burn themselves out. And the second thing being that उनको किसी और की advice चाहिए ही नहीं। relatives आके अगर अच्छी advice भी देंगे ना, which they tell me, some relatives really give good advices to their this thing because they're studying abroad, they're living abroad, they don't want to take. क्यों? क्योंकि Instagram पे relatives तो अच्छी advice नहीं देते हैं ना, Instagram पे तो relatives की image खराब है. So these two things, it kind of brings me in a dilemma, but they're perceiving it in the wrong way. करे तो करे क्या हम that way.
Okay, so I want to ask you one more thing. जैसे ये 9 to 5 job वाला आपने point बोला, do you think that not working for 9 to 5 job has been glamorized by social media and Bollywood?
Yes, for sure, definitely. So Bollywood I wouldn't say as such because Bollywood के अंदर खुद ऐसे लोग हैं जो 9 to 5 work कर रहे हैं that way. So
No,
I wouldn't say that.
In the movies it's shown कि like go chase your dreams उस way में.
Okay, yeah, that way. That's true actually, but I would personally prefer to talk a little about social media because वो मैंने personally देखा है the way it is, because I am one of the people who does that. I left my 9 to 5 to work full time in my business. When people like us are creating some content like that, it's because we are influencing people. The problem lies in half knowledge. When people don't try to listen to it completely, they don't like to research on it. I'll give you a small example. देखो, social media is a free space. It can glorify you towards good, it can glorify you towards bad. What matters is, I always say this word research. Now, there was a creator who made content on tea tasting as a career and sleeping as a career. So there are these two careers which suddenly a lot of people saw this reel on. So I said, okay, this sounds good, sleeping as a career, but do you know what are the criteria? तुम लोग रात को फोन रख के सो नहीं पाते हो and तुम लोग इतने easily बोलते हो that you will make sleeping as your career. Like the factors to this is that this happens in US where companies like IKEA and all get people to sleep on their mattresses and try it out for 10 hours continuous. They literally time your breath and time the way you're sleeping and then pay you for it. They pay you $100 an hour. Sounds good, but कितना डेप्थ है उसमें? They don't research. वो लोग क्या बोलते हैं, wow, tea tasting as a career, let's go do this. Your taste buds has to be perfect. You have some tests that you have to go through. So the problem is कि हम लोग जब knowledge देते हैं ना, people who want to do that, you should go and research on the internet. Social media can glorify a lot of things. You have seen that Jashan, social media glorifies wrong fitness also.
Once you start understanding this, तो आपको वो glorification पता लग जाएगी, because glorification is simply the person, what he or she is doing is want to feel proud of what they are doing. So only
Right.
one way to do that is to glorify it around myself. Okay.
Right.
So, and I've seen this, most of the people end up underestimating everyone else's work because they glorify their work so much. एंड इट हैपेंस विद एवरीवन. ठीक है, कंटेंट क्रिएटर बोलेगा अच्छा तुम्हारे पास पैसे तो हैं पर हमारे पास देखो लोग कितना पूछते हैं. बिजनेसमैन बोलेगा तुम कंटेंट बनाते रहो, हम पैसे कमा रहे हैं, हमारी पास लाइफ है. ठीक है, एक कोई इंसान हेल्थ में वो बोलेगा तुम सब पैसे कमा रहे हो, रिकॉग्निशन ले, पर मेरे पास हेल्थ है. सो एवरीबडी इज कंपेयरिंग एट अनदर बेसिस, बट दैट्स अ वेरी toxic way because everybody is contributing in a society in one or another way. अगर सब लोग एक ही करियर करेंगे वो भी बहुत problematic हो जाएगा, I'm sure.
Right.
And
so Jashan, I just have one more thing to add in this, if you allow.
Yeah, sure.
So it's like, you know, now look at it. You, for example, have, you know, you come from a good family, you have, like, you know, you've inherited things, right? And people would look at me and say, okay, she's just started things. And I'll tell you this, why am I pointing this out? So I had a friend who is very rich, okay, uske family ne ye cheez kiya and all, and people used to say that Kanishka to khud se build kar rahi hai, tu dekh, you're just getting everything from your dad. You know what he told me, which I really want to say it on this podcast. He said, today if Kanishka loses something, no, it's on her because she's building it. टुमारो अगर मैं मेरे डैड के पच्चिन्नों पे नहीं उतरा, सो लोगों को बोलने के लिए रहेगा इसके डैड ने तो सब कुछ बनाया, इसने एक झटके में सब तोड़ दिया. Like, you know, it's like my dad built it for me, but I couldn't take care of his kingdom. So I was saying कि just because you were glorifying me does not mean that you will just look down on my work saying that okay, even if I lose something, everyone is different. Now for you, you have a different pressure on you that everyone knows your family. What if you do something and, you know, it's like कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे? For me, it's like लोग बोलेंगे, oh, you just failed. You started something and you failed. So, you know, लोगों का नजरिया depends on how much they respect
because
people.
I basically get your point because I've seen my father from like हमारी life, we have not inherited anything because last 6-7 years से ही हमने business start किया and basically we are from joint family. तो जैसे भाई सब अलग हो जाते हैं, business बंट जाते हैं, तो यही हुआ कि मेरे पापा के हाथ में जब हमारे 2-3 बिजनेसेस थे, 4 भाई थे, तो पापा के हाथ पे कोई बिजनेस नहीं आया, सिर्फ प्रॉपर्टी आई. एंड उन्होंने मेरे आगे वी वर ड्राइविंग मारुति 800 लोन लेके स्टार्ट किया. आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 14 एंड लाइक पीपल यूज टू, मेरे साथ के बच्चे क्या करते थे, हम लोग ना स्कूल जाते थे, ट्यूशन जाते थे, वो खेलने जाते थे. मैं जाता था स्कूल, ट्यूशन, और हमारी दुकान थी फोटो स्टेट की, मैं वहां पे जाता था फोटो स्टेट करने. सो आई यूज टू जेरोक्स कॉपीज. तो वो जेरोक्स करवाते थे और मैं बच्चा था 14 साल का, तो वहां पे एक लड़का काम करता था मेरे साथ. तो जो भी आता था वो देता था उसको कि यार तू कर, नहीं ये बच्चे से नहीं करवाऊंगा. तो मैं पता क्या करता था, मैं जब शॉप पे जाता ना उसको भगा देता था. मैं कहा तू 2 घंटे घूम के आ, मैं ही करूंगा. तो जब जबरदस्ती काम पकड़ना पड़ता था, पर वहां से स्टार्ट किया, वहां से जैसे 500-600 रुपए दिन के बनने. आई थिंक आई वाज इन 9th standard when I was 14, 8th or 9th standard. I'm working from that age. Now I'm 24. तो उसके बाद काम में ऐसा इंटरेस्ट बैठा कि I just wanted to do business. And yes, I understand because my father has worked so hard and he's still working hard, and मैं उनकी एनर्जी देख के I still get shocked because I don't have that kind of energy. And he is like, तुमने जो करना है करो, मैं कभी नहीं रिटायर होने वाला, मैं काम करूंगा, मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
That's so good.
And उनको देख के लगता है, बट हाँ वो पॉइंट आता है, एक प्रेशर आता है कि यार क्या जैसे उन्होंने एक लेगेसी बिल्ड की, वुड आई बी एबल टू कंटिन्यू दैट, है ना, कि जिस परसेंटेज पे उन्होंने स्केल किया, वुड आई बी एबल टू कंटिन्यू दैट. एंड आई स्टिल आस्क माई सेल्फ दैट क्वेश्चन. एंड to be honest, he said to me very beautiful thing that you don't have to carry on my legacy, you have to build it on your own. And I like that very much. I'm gonna build my own name. So that's a different kind of concept.
You are doing that already. That makes me more happy to work with you, you know, to be very honest.
वो सबका मतलब अलग-अलग pressure है. Everybody is facing different kind of pressure. And one thing I want to ask you from this, that when you do career counseling, do you think in some way parents are actually stopping their children to grow?
Okay. So, you know, I have realized this after talking to so many people that every parent is different. And with that, agar hum ek generalize kare na that parents are stopping their children to grow, and even if I generalize it in a way that parents who let their children do anything are not stopping them to grow, it is wrong. Because मैं इतने लोगों से मिली हूँ, I have met parents who have allowed their children to do everything, due to which children have gone on the wrong track. That also means that their parents have, stopped their growth.
So, yeah, exactly. What is the subtle balance according to you?
Right. So the subtle balance is that there should be a healthy communication. Now, this happens because a lot of students, a lot of children also overthink. When I spoke to one of my very, very good close friends, she told me that Kanishka, parents nahi manenge, nahi sunenge. I said, did you talk to them? She's like, I know them very well. A lot of times we overjudge, saying that we know our parents well, and parents overjudge that we know our children well. The most subtle way to say it is that there is a communication gap. I'm telling you this, any child or any parent who can communicate well with their children or their parent, nobody's growth stops. Because समझो अगर वो बच्चा जाके भले रो के चिल्ला के बोल देता है पेरेंट्स को कि नहीं करना है मुझे, there's a point where CA students come up and say that नहीं करना है मुझे, at least they said it out loud, right? At least they are not going and probably committing suicide or things like that. I've seen people who had come to me for counseling sessions say कि मेरे batchmate ने suicide कर लिया. I don't want to do that. What do I do? I've seen incidences like these, but रो के बोलो, चिल्ला के बोलो. I wouldn't state that parents stop students' growth. It goes both ways. They stop each other's growth by not communicating. ये जो cold war चलता है ना, मैं तो बात ही नहीं करूंगी, मैं तो करूंगी नहीं. And see, communication does not just have to be verbal. It can be through your hard work. Like for example, there was a point where my mom was not understanding कि मैं arts क्यों कर रही हूँ. But when she saw me juggling between 2 degrees, she asked me one day, मैंने तुझे फर्गसन में डाल देना चाहिए था ना आर्ट्स के लिए. I didn't tell her that I'm having tough times. Parents see it. Students see that their parents are getting money to get me educated in this college. What matters is communication and how open are you to communication. So parents are not stopping the growth. It is the mindset and the overthinking that all of these people carry is stopping the growth. It is we ourselves. We cannot blame it on anyone. हम खुद की growth stop कर रहे हैं. आप क्यों नहीं कन्विंस कर पाए पेरेंट्स को, क्यों नहीं बात किया? ये क्वेश्चन लोग मुझे भी पूछते थे कि मैं बोलती थी मेरे पेरेंट्स नहीं मानेंगे, बिकॉज मैंने बात ही नहीं किया. बचपन से मुझ में ये आदत थी कि कोई मुझे आप पार्टी के लिए आके पूछता था ना, तो मैं बोलती थी मम्मा से पूछ के बताऊंगी, और मैं मम्मा से पूछती नहीं थी, डर लगता था. एंड मैं बोलती थी मम्मा ने मना कर दिया, नहीं मम्मा ने बोला ही नहीं है. एंड देन नाउ व्हेन आई आस्क हर शी सेज यस, एंड आई एम लाइक wait, आप बचपन से हाँ बोलने वाले थे क्या? Because मैंने ही बात नहीं किया, तो how would I know that she would allow me to a party that way? I realized twice she allowed me to come home at 12 o'clock from a party without getting angry, and I was like, wait, मैंने कभी पूछा ही नहीं, मैंने कभी मम्मा को कुछ बोला ही नहीं. तो this was all in my head कि मैं सच में पूछती नहीं थी, मैं बोल देती थी नहीं यार मम्मी अलाउ नहीं करेगी, नहीं जाते हैं प्लीज, that way. So I think what stops our growth is the assumptions that parents make कि हमारा बच्चा तो हमारे जैसे ही बनेगा, and the assumptions that children make saying कि हमारे parents नहीं समझेंगे, that way.
तो मतलब वो एक सूडो प्रेशर है अपने दिमाग पे कि बस वो नहीं मानेंगे, तो उसकी वजह से they don't ask and they don't communicate well. Yes. So and also to this, I saw one of your reels in which you explained that your father helped you a lot. Setting up your business, like he used to wait outside when you were meeting with your clients and everything. So I want to know more about that. How did that turn out? Because he's helping you day in and out.
No, so I'll tell you what. So my father helped me. It's like my father still doesn't know what do I do. He doesn't understand मैं क्या करती हूँ. Just before this I went for a client meeting and I told him, and he's like अकेले मत जाना. The problem that my parents have is तू लड़की है, client जगह अकेले नहीं जाना. So I have to have a friend or my parents with me to take them along. That is one thing. So मेरे dad को until he was serving, मेरे dad ऐसा है ना, like I think I've learned this dedication from him कि if he was working in the cantonment ने उनको दत्तक ले लिया था. Until I joined that office ना, तब तक मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि टाइमिंग होता है कि 10 से लेके 6 टाइमिंग होता है एंड सैटरडे संडे छुट्टी होती है. मेरे डैड 365 days मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock ड्यूटी जाते थे, डेफिनेटली बिकॉज ही वाज इन द हेल्थ सेक्शन. सो मॉर्निंग के जितने भी लेबर्स एंड ऑल डिप्लॉय करने होते तो इट्स हिज सेक्शन. बट you know, the dedication my dad has worked with, उन्होंने सब कुछ मॉम के ऊपर छोड़ दिया था कि जो बच्चे कर रहे हैं करो. But when he saw me deviating from UPSC, saw me deviating from doing something, it kind of troubled him. He used to tell my mom, he used to tell my mom, बच्ची हाथ से निकल रही है, ध्यान देना. What is she doing? Go check what she's doing. So he never understood मैं क्या करती हूँ. But when I told him, this is huge for me, I need to go to Mumbai, I need to go meet Digital Pratik, I need to go do this. I said, आप जाओ, ये लोग safe है, I can stay there. So he's like, I'm not doubting them or I'm not doubting you, but I will wait for you. तो वो 8 घंटे नीचे खड़े रहे वो बिल्डिंग के, और मैंने उधर किसी को बताया नहीं. आई डिडंट टेल सुहानी शाह, आई डिडंट टेल डिजिटल प्रतीक दैट माय डैड इज वेटिंग. रात को जब वो मुझे नीचे ड्रॉप करने आए, तब मैंने बोला डैड इधर ही रुके थे. दे गॉट वेरी एंग्री एट मी. दे लाइक, वी कुड हैव कॉल्ड हिम और वी कुड हैव गिवन हिम अ प्लेस टू एक्चुअली रेस्ट. आई सेड, मैम हम भी ले सकते थे होटल. द थिंग इज माय डैड डजंट वांट टू डू दैट. सो आई हैड टू गो मुंबई, पुणे, नासिक, पुणे, मुंबई, ऐसा कुछ तो ट्रायंगल था पूरा. He is 61 years old. उनको पेन होता है, बट उन्होंने पूरी गाड़ी चलाई है all the way because he said कि मैं रुकूंगा, ड्राइवर उतने देर रुकेगा या नहीं, we don't know. And I think that was at one time that I realized that support does not only mean parents coming and telling us कि yes बेटा you go do ahead, I'll support you. पापा ने मुझे पूरा रास्ता चिल्लाया कि ये क्या करती रहती है, यूपीएससी कर ले, पूरा रास्ता चिल्लाया. अभी भी वही मैं निकल रही थी ना क्लाइंट इसके लिए, तो ही इज लाइक, एक काम कर, तू सिविल सर्विसेज के लिए प्रिपेयर कर. आई एम लाइक, प्लीज लेट मी गो फॉर द क्लाइंट मीटिंग. बट जो इनडायरेक्ट सपोर्ट होता है ना, ही डिडंट स्टॉप मी फ्रॉम गोइंग. उन्होंने मुझे रोका नहीं कि किधर जा रही है, क्यों जा रही है, किसके साथ जा रही है, जाने दिया. बट उनकी इच्छा होती है कि नहीं मेरी बच्ची ने ये करना. तो द सपोर्ट does not only have to mean openly by saying I support you, I am behind you. It means that he was there in spite of not telling me openly. When I needed it the most, he was there for me. That way.
Exactly. And that is very beautiful. And also, okay, how does he, okay, जब रिश्तेदार पूछते हैं कि बेटी क्या कर रही है, how does he introduce?
I'll tell you something. रिश्तेदार क्या करते हैं, मेरे पापा यही बोलते हैं कि क्या मालूम, कुछ तो करती रहती है, घर पे बैठी रहती है. एक बार तो ऐसे हुआ था that किसी ने पूछा कि ओके अभी आपकी बेटी क्या करती है, तो he's like, मालूम नहीं, कोई जॉब ढूंढ दो उसके लिए. And I'm like, I don't need that. उन्होंने एक बार घर पे आए and he told me, ये देखिए कर्नल सर का नंबर है, इनको कॉल करना. तो मैंने बोला श्योर. He said, मैंने उनको बताया है तो क्या क्या एजुकेशन किया. I said चलो, I think he is going and praising me. I called that person. Genuinely, okay, my business is working really good. I called the person and I said, hi sir, this is Kanishka. My dad gave me your number. And he says, yeah, sure. Just send me your resume. I'll search for a job for you. And I'm looking at my mom and I'm like, Papa, क्या बोल रहे हैं जाके कि मुझे job चाहिए बाहर. So he doesn't understand what I do. He thinks कि मैं घर पे laptop पे time pass करती हूँ. But ठीक है, when I need it, he supports me that way. He doesn't know what I'm doing at all.
Okay. So, coming back to career counseling, do you think our education system is flawed at large?
No, I think I am the not only person, but there is an interview which I had given to, like a podcast which I had given to a person. वो podcast, I mean, I would recommend, I shouldn't be promoting someone else's podcast on this, but Jashan, I would like to add that podcast in the link, you know, maybe if we can, because in that I have spoken about the Indian education system as to how is Indian education system important. And it all depends on what does a person take from that Indian education system. For example, अगर हम बचपन में a+b² क्या होता है नहीं पढ़ते, या अगर हम you know how to find square feet and area meter नहीं पढ़ते, अगर हमें कुछ भी मालूम नहीं होता, and if we didn't have people around us to actually give that kind of छोटी छोटी knowledge, आप कभी आपके हॉल का सोफा देख के बता नहीं सकते कि ये कितना लेंथ है या इसका क्या कैलकुलेशन है. But again, that completely depends on how a person perceives. I'm not able to explain the way I want to over here, but in that thing, no, I've explained it in a way wherein, see, Indian education system is something जो हर इंसान के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, who likes to take it and who doesn't like to take it. For me, I feel that it has benefited me a lot. मैं सब कुछ पढ़ पाई, इसीलिए I could choose what to do. A lot of people, when they don't get everything on their platter, I've seen people go outside the country and see that, okay, I just chose one field and now I'm not able to excel in that. I don't have anything else to move. But I personally feel कि मुझे सब कुछ knowledge मिला है through that education system. So I wouldn't say it's flawed. Definitely there are a lot of things that can be changed. a lot of liberty that can be given to studies in a way where people want it to be done. But no, I wouldn't say that it's flawed. It's like there are so many small factors to it which has helped us. All definitely, like tax system and all of these things should be added. But the current system that we have, the way that we things are important for us to actually understand, वो बहुत सारी चीजें है वो system में. But the only thing is sometimes it also depends on teachers what they teach us. Like for me, I hated bio because probably because of the teachers, they didn't teach that well. I didn't know a lot of my body parts, a lot of things what needs to be done for myself as a girl, because they were never taught to me. I never understood. So when I had problems, I couldn't say it out loud because I thought maybe it's some problem in me, some fault in me, that way. So everything is taught to us, provided we have good people to teach us. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Yeah, completely you're making sense. But adding to it, like there are so many perspective in a life which I जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किए कि हमें स्कूल में आई थिंक सिखाए जाने चाहिए थे, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, नंबर 1, एंड नंबर 2 हेल्थ. वी हैव नेवर टॉट अबाउट हेल्थ. मतलब किसी ने स्कूल में ये भी नहीं बताया कि पानी कितना पीना चाहिए. ओके एंड
नहीं, अगर आप देखो ना जशन, 2nd, 3rd क्लास की ही बुक में सब है that you should have these many liters of waters every day, these many bottles every day. ये होता है.
बट वो इस तरीके से नहीं होना इज डिफरेंट थिंग. बट कनिष्का, इट इज नॉट प्रायोरिटाइज्ड मतलब इफ यू चेक द बेसिक एजुकेशन, 1 + 1 is equals to 2. You study that for 10 years.
Right, definitely. So that is what, it actually depends on school. Like for my school and even my college, every week we had personality development and entrepreneurship sessions. So I feel that is what I'm saying. The thing is, education system में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, but what a college or what a school chooses also depends. ये मैंने कब देखा, when I was standing in our vice principal's office and वहाँ पे बहुत सारी books पड़ी थी. So I said, sir, ये book same है. तो he's like, नहीं, बहुत सारी publications आती है, we choose out of them. And that's when I realized, oh, it is the school who's making some decisions that whether we should be learning that or no, that way. So definitely a lot of things has to be added. The way like tax system add होना चाहिए, बहुत सारी चीजें add होनी चाहिए. But these things actually sum up to something bigger. जैसे GST एक ही chapter है maths में, तो maybe वो चीज सीख के हमें कुछ better सीखना है.
And I think Indians, we are more coped up in the result rather than the process itself, because we focus more on the degrees rather than the learning what we are learning in class. तो वो I think वो degrees ज़्यादा शोशेबाजी हो गई है कि degree है, ये है. That's why when people ask me and come me that do I have any degree in health, I say I'm not gonna answer to this. Okay? You check my capability, you check transformations on my page, you check what I do, you research on it, and if you think that I am providing good information, then go with me. Okay,
right. If there's wrong, then you point it out.
Because I don't want my degree to bring my validation. Are you getting my point?
Right. Definitely.
Most of the people, even with degrees, give very wrong advice. And most of the people, even without degrees, have very practical and good advices. So it's a relative. It's a very relative. And तो उस point of view पे जब मैंने अपनी personal journey share किया, and I realized कि यार you're lucky if it happened to be in your school, but it wasn't in mine.
नहीं, definitely. So that's what Jashan, जैसे अभी आपने बोला ना that degree का, it's not like I'm bragging about myself, but when I joined engineering, मुझे ये भी मालूम नहीं था कि मेरी branch कौन सी, because my parents got me admitted through management quota, like पैसे भर के. So they asked me कौन सी branch चाहिए, मैंने बोला आप भी choose करो, तो आप भी choose कर लो. So मैं random कोई तो भी branch में admission मिला है मुझे engineering में, but I never cared about my degree. Like what I mattered was for me is कि what am I learning. 4th year में everyone was shocked जब मेरा project was gone for patent. Like a girl who did not want to do engineering, who does not like technical things, her project was nominated for going for a patent. So, and jab last May I had to fill some form and get my degree. Ma'am called me so many times, Kanishka, your things are left. They're like, I know you don't care whether you get that degree in hand or no, but still do it. So the problem is that how much do we gain knowledge? A lot of people do fitness courses, like big courses, because they want to do that. वो लोग करते नहीं है because उनको genuinely fitness में interest होता है. तो वो लोग जाके करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन लेंगे. फॉर पीपल जिनको लगता है कि इट्स एन इजी थिंग कि ले लेंगे, देन वी कैन जस्ट अर्न मनी थ्रू दैट,
नहीं
दे
नहीं
डोंट
नहीं,
नीड प्रॉब्लम.
आधे लोग इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि बायो में मेंशन करना है कि कौन सी डिग्री की है.
Yes, yes, exactly. So
And they don't study things well enough. They don't, or you know what, if in fact in fitness also I have experienced कि आपने जिस इंस्टीट्यूशन से फिटनेस डिग्री की है, अब उनका भी बहुत बायस्ड ओपिनियन होता है, बिकॉज फिटनेस is a very controversial. Fitness
yes,
is very controversial. Some people believe in keto, some people believe in plant-based diet, some people believe, and everybody has their hard-based evidences. And that's a very shocking part. Like if you'll go on internet search right now that क्या कॉफी से आईसाइट खराब होती है, you'll get the results. तुम्हें पूरा रिसर्च पेपर मिल जाएगा जिसपे मेंशन होगा कि कॉफी से आईसाइट खराब होती है. आफ्टर अ सेकंड सर्च की कॉफी से आईसाइट कैसी होती है, ठीक होती है, तो उस पे भी आपको एक बहुत अच्छी रिसर्च मिल जाएगी कॉफी से आईसाइट ठीक होती है.
आईसाइट कैसी ठीक हो रही है.
हाँ.
That's very true, very true.
And that's why in fitness you have to experiment things for yourself, and that's what I see कि यहाँ पे बहुत, because ये बहुत biased opinion हो जाता है, because most of the people believe in eating high fat diet, most of the people believe in eating low fat diet, but वो person to person vary करता है.
Yes.
Okay.
Fitness is a very dangerous field, I feel, because it's like what you do for a person उनके body पे, and people don't say true things, because when I got on a call with a few people, I told them ये मुझे problem है. So they're like, लोग आके बताते ही नहीं है कि हमें ये problem है या हमारी body इस पे react करेगी that way. That's true.
बताते नहीं है, कोचेस सुनना भी नहीं चाहते, पब्लिक भी इजी चाहती है. एंड लाइक यूल सी रील्स बनेगी, 10 रुपए का प्री वर्कआउट बना लो, 5 रुपए का प्री वर्कआउट बना लो, बिकॉज एवरीबडी वांट, किसी को समझना नहीं है कि बॉडी कैसे काम कर रही है. एंड that is when people ask me what do you do different, I tell them that I'll help you understand your own body, and उससे ज्यादा beneficial कुछ नहीं हो सकता. I don't put my opinions, my facts on you, because your fact may vary, है ना?
Right.
तो वो चीज है. And okay, so my next part is you're also working with creators, okay? And I see you're working with creators, many creators. So what is the most important lesson you have learned working with creators?
Keep your mental peace sane. Matlab, I'm telling you, it's okay. I'm not trying to degrade the creator community or something like that, but जितना ऊपर से अच्छा दिखता है ना, this creators, including me, it's not that depth of a thing. There was a point where yes, it's I won't even say shallow or something like that, but it takes a toll.
It's very shady as a shady. Shady बहुत है.
So there was a point where I was trying to give up. I said I can't take this anymore, because they don't realize the importance what I'm trying to give them, and they are doing it because they have to do it, because they're getting fame. They're not doing it because they like to do it. And मेरा ऐसा नहीं है, मुझे अच्छा लगता है. See, you must have seen मैं 2 महीने से content नहीं बनाया, नहीं पसंद, नहीं बनाया, big deal. मुझे जब पसंद होगा मैं बनाऊंगी. But this does not happen with everyone. They do it because they want, just because they have to do it. They don't do it because they want to do it.
Because social validation मिल रही है.
Exactly, which is wrong, which is definitely wrong. And when you work with creators, it kind of comes on you, because so much of dark things you get to hear from them. And wo mujhe thoda sa, it kind of took a toll on me. That's when one person, Shashank Uduppa, he's one of my clients. He told me that if they're giving you that kind of tension, remove them from your life. Why are you clients, you're doing? Yeah. So then I started taking my clients I started being very picky with my clients. I
learned this from Swastik. Swastik taught me to fire your clients.
Yeah.
So that's a really okay. Explain more when you said that it took it to like आपको affect किया dark things. What are the dark things you're talking
about? I'll tell you what. There's a lot of gossips in the creator system also. Like इसने ऐसा किया, उसने ऐसा किया. Who is going to do this? Who's going to launch this next? And
I can't relate.
It's like,
yeah, I've told you this. I've always felt like outsider. I don't know what's going inside the industry. I always felt like
it's not fun.
मुझे नहीं पता. That's why I always felt like outsider. मुझे नहीं पता क्या चल रहा है. I just do my thing. If I like something, I appreciate.
सुखी हो आप. Such way. So then I started distancing myself from this, to be very honest. I think one thing that I've learned is be yourself no matter what, because I tried changing myself to become like them, cool and stuff, and I'm not cool. I'm not cool at all. I went for Dr. Sid's party, and then I was like, sitting in a corner, and I was like, I don't know how to. I talk a lot, but then I don't know how to socialize. How am I going to talk in a party? मैं कभी गई नहीं हूँ. But then Dr. Sid was very sweet. He
how
took
to
me,
talk to drunk people.
he's telling me चल तेरे को मिलाता हूँ. Then he went and he said ये मेरी छोटी बहन है, इससे मिलो and all. So there are good people outside also. When I met people like you, I met people like Dr. Sid, very very good people I met, and I think that is what, be yourself. अगर तुम नहीं होना है तुमसे मत करो. And दूसरी बात है that पहले अपना mental peace ध्यान रखो, because today you pick up, अगर 100 क्रिएटर्स हो गए, उसमें से 97 क्रिएटर्स को तो कुछ ना कुछ सोशल मीडिया की वजह से ओवर थिंकिंग या मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज हो, that way. Exactly. So that I've learned, and I'm at a much peaceful place. नहीं हो रहा है, मैं निकल जाती हूँ, मैं कहीं चली जाती हूँ सिर्फ एक वॉक करने या something. I stay in a very beautiful place by the way. So chill है that way.
मेरे दादाजी बोलते होते थे छोटे होते कि मंदिर में जो पंडित होते हैं ना, वो सबसे ज्यादा भगवान से दूर होते हैं. वो ये हिसाब है यहाँ पे सोशल मीडिया क्रिएटर्स का. They talk so much about mental health and everything, and they are the guys who are the farthest away from it. And
very true.
Most of them, not everyone, but most of them, because they care more about likes, comments, shares, subscribers than the reality. And what I understood, I got a car recently, Hana. Everybody was making such a big deal out of it. And I know it's a big deal. I also feel this is an achievement, but I don't feel मेरे लिए वो achievement is the person I became to get that car, not that car in itself. And I said it very clearly. I was sitting in a car. There was a team member with me, and he was like, "कि sir, बहुत बड़ी achievement है ये वो." I said, "Listen, I'm gonna be that person. I'm gonna get the maximum amount of money. I'm gonna get the better cars. I'm gonna have the better lifestyle. I'm going to bring all the luxury in my life, and I'm going to shout at people's face that these things are not going to make you happy because I've got it." And that's what I'm going to do. So I just want to help people understand that it's not about things you have. It's about the person you become to get those things.
That's very true. And I can be a witness for you, Jashan, because Jashan is one of those very few clients जिनको मैंने बोला, Jashan, can you please do this payment? And Jashan ने किया है. From the beginning, when I got on a call with him, Jashan was not very cranky about it. It's been so cool working with him. When I was telling Abhinav also the other day कि Abhinav, do you know मेरी last meeting कब हुई है Jashan के साथ? तो he's like 2 दिन पहले. I said नहीं, मैं हर client के साथ रोज भी meeting करूँ ना तो some of them will not be satisfied, but Jashan को meetings नहीं चाहिए, कुछ नहीं चाहिए. He trusts me like तुम कर रहे हो ना, तुम कर लो. And that's what makes me happy to work with people like you. That you give us the space to experiment. You give us the space कि तुम ये भी guest लाओ, कोई problem नहीं है. That way.
Yeah, because I believe कि यार तुमने अगर किसी पे विश्वास किया, just let them work, just delegate, and just let them do and let them do their thing. Don't interfere. Okay, let them explore. Okay, like अभी जैसे मेरी टीम में संदीप है, प्रेम है, वो आते हैं कि सर क्या करे. मैं कहता हूँ करो, तुम अपनी रिसर्च करो, bring your creativity into account, and I'll see if we can make it better or if we want to change it. But अपना दिमाग जरूर use करो. I don't want to interfere in this. I want to focus on another things. And
right.
तो ये चीज होती है. आई थिंक डेलीगेशन इज एन आर्ट, आई बिलीव, एंड बहुत अच्छे से करना बहुत जरूरी है, वरना चीजें और रिश्ते दोनों बिगाड़ती हैं वो. एंड ओके, दिस इज वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ओके, व्हाट इज योर डेफिनेशन ऑफ सक्सेस, एंड डू यू कंसिडर योरसेल्फ सक्सेसफुल?
Yes, to be very honest, yes, because my definition of success is satisfaction. It's like, today I'm earning X amount of money. Tomorrow I might get double the lakh amount of whatever I'm earning. But if I'm not satisfied, if I'm not happy. So recently, I won't name the client, but I had a client who was paying me a lot of money. A lot. I'm telling you, मतलब मेरे 2-3 clients का मिला के वो एक client का होगा. That way. And within 8 days, we stopped working with that client. It impacted the revenue of my company. Definitely did. But not at the stake of my satisfaction and mental peace, because हर 2 घंटे में they had to like poke their nose and everything. There was no जैसे you said, delegation is an art, right? So I think they didn't know that art at all. It's not like I'm trying to blame anyone, but let us give us space to experiment. 8 दिन क्या होता है, तुमको क्या रिजल्ट दिखेगा 8 दिन में, ठीक है? So for me it success means satisfaction. अगर तुम कुछ भी काम कर रहे हो, जैसे I'll be very honest, my dad at the position that he was working on, he should have gotten more payment because he made कुछ तो भी mistake जिसकी वजह से उनका जो पे स्केल पे होना चाहिए था वो पे स्केल पे नहीं मिल रहा था. When I went to that office, I realized कि उनके arrears है वो उनको मिलने चाहिए, उन्हें मिले वो arrears, but he didn't care about the money. He said satisfaction है job में, and I look at my dad and I feel like he's successful today. आज को मतलब में वो इतने ये है, उनको इतना अच्छा लगता है ऑफिस में ये सब काम एंड ऑल. कुछ तो ऑफिस में उतने पैसे नहीं थे एंड ऑल्सो उनकी पेंशन एंड ऑल स्टार्ट नहीं हुई थी. ही इज ओके विद दैट बिकॉज ही वाज सो सैटिस्फाइड विद हिज वर्क ना. मतलब वो कुछ भी काम करते हैं. आज वो घर के पीछे का पेड़ कटवा रहे थे. आई जस्ट वेंट आउट टू टेल हिम दैट आई एम लीविंग. आई एम लुकिंग एट हिम, आई एम लाइक इतने सैटिस्फैक्शन से कोई कैसे काम करता है यार? हाउ डू यू गेट दैट सैटिस्फैक्शन?
Same with my father. Same with my father. Yeah.
So I feel that I am successful because my definition of success does not lie in money. It does not lie in anything. What lies in is, as you said, the person and the satisfaction that I have. Every morning when I wake up, am I, that jolly to go for meetings? Am I that interested कि आज मुझे ये meeting है, आज मुझे जशन के साथ podcast करना है? If I would have come with यार छोड़ न्यू आया है ये नहीं पहनती हूँ, क्या ही फर्क पड़ने वाला है. I was like, wait, let me try this for Jashan's podcast. Why should I not try it for his podcast? So this actually gives me a satisfaction which I feel, because when I compare it to my dad, definitely I'm successful. जो लाइफ हमारी फैमिली में कोई बिजनेस नहीं कर पाया, मैंने बिजनेस कर दिया. But when I look at it, I'm like, big deal. कल कोई और आके कर देगा. Then will my definition of success change? The day I stop being satisfied with my work is the day I'll become unsuccessful and I've failed with things. Is what I'll say.
That's a very beautiful definition. And like working with so many clients and working like this, did it take a toll on your personal relationships?
No, sometimes एक point था जब मैंने सोचा कि am I losing out on friends? Am I like, where are my friends?
I still get that. I still get the FOMO.
Yeah, but I'll tell you what, Jashan. एक बार I tried to contact all of those people जिनके साथ contact छूट गया था, and I tried going out with them. Then I realized I have changed as a person. I've become better.
I've been there. But the thing is, at point one or another, like I'm telling you my experience, okay? So FOMO hits me very hard. Because I'm at age, where almost everyone is getting married. Okay.
Yeah, that I feel you.
Or in a romantic relationship, or traveling, or doing different kind of stuff. And I'm a kind of person who wakes up at 5, sleeps at 10. Like I tell my friends that I sleep at 10 के यार 10 बजे के बाद तो जिंदगी शुरू होती है. And I'm like, okay, ठीक है. मतलब हाँ, मैं भी जागता था यार, मैं भी सब कुछ करता था when I was in hostel and all. But since I started my work, I'm very disciplined about this. So उसके बाद I still get that FOMO कि यार मिस तो नहीं कर रहा क्या, मैंने अपना चाइल्डहुड तो नहीं मिस कर दिया क्या, मैंने अपना टीनेजहुड तो नहीं बिल्कुल मिस कर दिया. Well, I regret this. And I still ask myself question, and to be honest, I don't have any kind of answers right now. But the kind of satisfaction I do with the work I do, like I sometimes tried go out and enjoy. Like abhi hum gaye, so I went to Goa with my cousin in March. It was just 4-day trip. ठीक है? We both work, and third day we're like यार कहाँ पे जाना है? ठीक है, हमने 2 दिन वहां पे ऐसे निकाले कि चलो फ्लाइट कल की है तो रुकना पड़ेगा. हाँ. But
I feel, Jashan, it's a cycle, it's a loop. अभी आपको ऐसा लग रहा है, am I missing out on something? I look at you and I say, am I missing out on waking up early? So I get FOMO after seeing your stories and I try to be like you. जल्दी उठना है, at least 7 बजे तो उठती हूँ. And if you would have observed, मैं जब भी जल्दी उठी हूँ ना, somehow or the other I messaged you to show कि देखो मैं भी जल्दी उठी हूँ. So I do that. मेरे जितने friends जल्दी उठते हैं ना, मैं उठ के उनको good morning भेजती हूँ ताकि मैं भी जल्दी उठी हूँ. See, I'll tell you something about this thing FOMO, okay? मैंने ये चीज realize किया कि मुझे बचपन में होता था कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स पार्टी कर रहे हैं, सब लोग ये कर रहे हैं, क्या मैं नहीं ये कर रही हूँ. एक पॉइंट आया व्हेन आई स्टॉप डूइंग दैट बिकॉज व्हेन आई लिव्ड दैट नो, एक पार्टी में जाके आई वाज लाइक, वेट, व्हाट आर दे डूइंग? जस्ट सिटिंग एंड डूइंग व्हाट? गॉसिपिंग? Are you serious? Is that what you'll do? तो जैसे आपको काम के लिए वो satisfaction है, अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है ना, if you're having FOMO, go do it. I'll tell you, there was a launch party here, एक fitness, like कुछ fitness gym था यहाँ पे, and I was not invited, maybe because they didn't know me. But हमारे तरह एक आंटी है, उनको invitation था, आंटी ने बोला चलेगी, मैं उठ के चली गई. You know, in the past 3 months, I've tried to remove that by not considering and going that into my head. हमें फोमो कब होता है ना, जब हमारे दिमाग में चीजें जाती है कि मुझे तो इनवाइट ही नहीं किया, या तो मैंने तो ये किया ही नहीं है जिंदगी में. जैसे if I sometimes even I think, have I just lost my childhood by going out with people and you know enjoying the way I should be doing? I found such friends कि मैं पब्लिक में बच्ची जैसा भी करती हूँ ना, तो वो लोग करने देते हैं. जो भी आपने नहीं किया है ना, वो एक बार करके देखो. मेरी मम्मा ने एक बार बोला था, मुझे ग्रीन लेस बहुत पसंद थे, मैं रोज ग्रीन लेस खाती थी. She went to the canteen and she got इतने सारे green lace and she told me अब खा. I ate और फिर मेरे को ऐसा लगा खत्म हो गया, just done, finished, that's all. So FOMO जो भी आपको होता है ना, जाके कर लो. Now तो I'm like मैं जाके कर लेती हूँ. कोई अगर मुझे मालूम पड़ा मेरे अलावा कोई फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप कुछ ये बना रहे, मैं जाके बोलती हूँ मैं आ रही हूँ, तुमको बुलाना है नहीं बुलाना है, मैं आ रही हूँ. And then I realized big deal, yeah, that way.
But in my case, the difference is I have been the most consistent soldier I know. It's like I feel like I'm always on war. I have to wake up early. I have to show up at work. I have to do things. And one thing I cannot compromise with is my consistency.
Right.
And sometimes it takes a toll upon my mental health because I'm at work. I want to rest. Like abhi, if I tell honestly, I've been working out like crazy from past 5 days, and I'm gonna work out today also. My body is very sore. Okay, I want to go home. I literally want to sleep because I've been sleeping only 5 to 6 hours from past 5 days. क्योंकि traveling भी हम कर रहे हैं. मेरी sister की wedding आ रही है उसकी वजह से, and everything like different kind of issues, and I've been overthinking lately. And मतलब काफी कुछ चल रहा है, but still I know I'm gonna show up at gym at exactly 4:30 p.m. and that's all I do. That's all I know, consistency. But होता क्या है कि कभी कभी फील होता है कि यार Jashan, you are missing so much, you should be doing this, you should be doing this. Then I do that, I feel regret कि यार नहीं, I should be at work. And when I'm at work, I feel regret कि नहीं, I should be there.
कर लिया ना, लेकिन करके रिग्रेट करना चलता है.
नहीं, मेरा दोनों चल रहा है. मेरा दोनों, मैं अगर काम पे हूँ मेरा तब भी रिग्रेट चल रहा है कि मुझे वहां पे होना चाहिए. अगर वहां पे हूँ तो रिग्रेट काम का होता है. I know this is a little vicious circle and I'm figuring out how to get out of it. But I've understood कि हाँ, बहुत सी चीजें तुम्हें करके पता लगती हैं कि ठीक है, अब you are not that person anymore. You
Yes.
don't want that anymore. ठीक है, but
just your work demands that. Just I'll be very honest. Okay, now this what I just told you, like कर लो फिर देखो. That depends on person to person also. Now I'm a psychology student. I'm a counseling student. If I don't take care of my mental peace, मैं लोगों को counsel नहीं कर पाऊंगी. You are a fitness professional. If you don't show up for working out every day like a
Exactly.
soldier, you can't tell that to people. So it depends on your profession also. Just like for me, it's important कि मैं मेरा mental health first priority पे. I'm not saying कि आपका mental health priority नहीं है, but जो आप काम कर रहे हो, you know that if I don't act as a soldier, I can't give that vibe to people who I'm training that way.
And you have like people usually ask me कि तू बाहर का नहीं खाता. I do get a lot of cravings. Like today also, अभी भी मेरा मन कर रहा है कि अभी फोन उठाऊं कुछ ऑर्डर करूं, बट मैंने Zomato पिछले 15-20 दिन से मैं डिलीट ही कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, बहुत कुछ अर्जेंसी हो घर पे, किसी को मम्मा को कुछ चाहिए, कुछ मंगवाना तो मंगवा लेता हूँ, वरना डिलीटेड. तो वो बहुत ज्यादा कभी कभी क्रेविंग्स होती है, आज भी बहुत ज्यादा. एंड व्हेन स्पेशली व्हेन आई एम वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल, बिकॉज आई हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप विद फूड. आई एम इमोशनल ईटर. ठीक है, आई यूज्ड टू बी इमोशनल ईटर, नॉट दैट मच, वेरी मच राइट नाउ, जब से मैंने इस बिहेवियर को समझा है. बट स्टिल आई गेट दिस एंड आई ट्राई टू कन्वे दिस टू पीपल. सम अंडरस्टैंड, सम डोंट. So yeah, I
So
just
when
want
do
to
you
tell
eat?
this क्या, हाँ?
When do you eat बाहर का?
I don't.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
I usually don't. I very rarely. It's
जैसे मैंने अभी मैकडी लाया है.
huh?
मैंने अभी मैकडी लाया है.
So 500 meters from there, it's Domino's, Pizza Hut, McD, and like there's huge mall 500 meters from my gym, and obviously I can Zomato it like 5 minutes to deliver here. Okay, but yeah, I don't usually. I only eat in emergency, या मैं बाहर हूँ या मैं फ्री का खा रहा हूँ. फ्री
हम
का
अच्छा
मतलब मैं खुद नहीं ऑर्डर करता.
हमारे देवलाली में ये सब ज्यादा नहीं है, सो व्हेन आई हैव टू गो टू मैकडी आल्सो 30 मिनट्स दूर जाके लाना पड़ता है, सो इट्स लाइक
That's
वंस
a
अ
very that's a
व्हाइल.
very nice thing. That's a very nice thing actually. तो वो कंट्रोल होता है हमारे. तो यहाँ पे it's 500 meters from here, 500 meters. And तो होता है, मतलब मैं आते जाते I pass that space and every day I have to fight. नहीं 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 नहीं. And literally एक बार पता क्या हुआ, मैं पलक दीदी को बैठे कि चलो चलते हैं मैकडी. कार में बैठे मैकडी के बाहर गए, यार नहीं खाना, आगे से घुमा के लेके आए. ऐसे ऐसे भी हमारे साथ होता है. तो वो
मन मत मारो थोड़ा
हाँ?
सा, मन मत मारो, थोड़ा सा खा लिया करो.
प्रॉब्लम खाने में नहीं है. एक बार खाने में कोई भी मेरी हेल्थ नहीं खराब होगी एंड मेरा कोई फिटनेस गोल फर्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा. प्रॉब्लम इसको उसके 4 दिन के बाद बहुत डबल एफर्ट लगाना पड़ता है, बिकॉज क्रेविंग्स एंड इट आई थिंक यू हैव टू फाइट विद योर ब्रेन एट सम पॉइंट और अनदर. एंड अनदर पार्ट इज इट गिव्स यू सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नेक्स्ट लेवल यार. कि यार जब खाने का दिल कर रहा था तब भी नहीं खाया ना, इट गिव्स, मतलब मैंने दिवाली पे मीठा नहीं खाया, ठीक है, दिवाली पे मैंने मीठा बिल्कुल नहीं खाया. मीठा मैं पिछले 3 साल से नहीं खाया. तो इट गिव्स नेक्स्ट लेवल कॉन्फिडेंस कि यार सारे खा रहे थे, मैंने नहीं खाया. डू यू गेट माय पॉइंट? And then when I talk to my clients, and you have heard this in a very much fitness industry that moderation, everything in moderation is good. I think it is the biggest bullshit crap we have been selling. Because no, everything in moderation is not good. If you are sugar addict, in moderation it's not good. Even because you cannot eat in moderation. Okay, like think about something you love, and somebody tells you eat in moderation. You cannot do that.
You don't know what moderation is. What is the level for moderation?
हाँ, पहली बात तो define moderation. Number one, you cannot eat in moderation. I love गोभी के परांठे. अगर मेरे मम्मा के गोभी के परांठे आपने खाए ना, प्यार हो जाएगा. बात ये है, मैं एक नहीं खा सकता. जब मैं वो खाऊंगा मैं 3 खाऊंगा. It's not possible for me to just have one.
Right, makes sense. I was watching your that Diwali वाला video and that was very true कि अगर एक दिन आपने वर्कआउट नहीं किया है और आप एक खाते हो, बोलते हो ठीक है ना, आज वैसे भी वर्कआउट नहीं किया, आज पूरा ही खा लेता हूँ, फिर कल वर्कआउट कर लेंगे. And that happens with me. It's like क्या आज वैसे भी नहीं कर रहे ना, चलो आज खा लेते, कल ज्यादा वर्कआउट कर लेंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है. And after that video I became so mindful. That was very very true actually.
अब वो बिल्कुल होता है.
Jashan, what is your definition of success?
What is my definition of success? My definition of success is that you have to bring impactful work into the society, that you have to contribute to make it a better place. And since you are doing that, and if you understand, most of the people are not doing that. 95% of the people, I'll say, not doing that. Because it's our human purpose, it's in our genes. Okay, I've been studying this, and if you want to understand this, there have been a lot of books, especially I've been reading this Sapiens. Okay, so this book has basically explained that our ancestors have fought for survival. It's in our genes. हमारे हजारों करोड़ों सालों से ऐसे genes बने हैं that we spot problems. Okay, and that is why most of the rich people are anxious, because they don't have any problems, so they create problems in their mind. That is our human brain. It's our human brain that we go out, we spot problems. उनको जंगलों में जरूरत थी. When they go out, they have to spot problems because it was basic survival. We are not the strongest. We cannot fly. We cannot swim. We cannot, underwater we cannot live. And so how did we survive? We basically spotted problems, and वो प्रॉब्लम स्पॉट करके हमने सोसाइटी को बेहतर किया ताकि हम अपने सर्वाइवल को एक अच्छा बना पाए. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? आज की डेट में द लाइफस्टाइल इज सो कंफर्टेबल दैट वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट एनीमोर. लाइक इफ यू गो अराउंड एट द टाइम ड्यूरिंग वर्ल्ड वॉर, इमेजिन, ठीक है, यू आर इन जर्मनी, यू आर इन मिस्ट ऑफ हॉलोकास्ट, एंड यू आर सेइंग कि यार मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड मेरे को छोड़ के चला गया. Can you imagine that? Like वहां पे लोग बोलेंगे क्या तेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ पे बेसिक सर्वाइवल नहीं मिल रहा, तेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम है. बिकॉज एवरीबडी वाज कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू मेक सोसाइटी बेटर. एवरीबडी वाज इन्वेंटिंग. कितनी चीजें इन्वेंट हो रही थी यार, कितनी चीजें इन्वेंट हो रही थी. अभी हमारे लिए इन्वेंशन इसकी रील 30 सेकंड से 1 मिनट की हो गई है.
That's so true.
तो वो बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लमैटिक है. एंड आई थिंक यू हैव टू अटैच योरसेल्फ टू द पर्पस. एंड this is the only way humans have been surviving in so many groups and countries. You know, if you see any animal group, मैं इसी में पढ़ रहा था, सिर्फ 150 एनिमल्स का ग्रुप, जैसे चिंपैंजीज हैं, only in 150 of the chimpanzees can live happily. 150 से बड़ा ग्रुप होगा तो उनमें फाइट्स होंगे और ग्रुप डेविएट हो जाते हैं. Same is with humans. But how do we survive together? How do we survive in groups, in cities, in countries? Like India में 140 करोड़ एक साथ कैसे रह रहे हैं लोग? Because they believe in same things, you know, like you're Christian, right?
Right, yeah.
So you're Christian. Usually you're not expected, usually you're not expected to trust anyone. It's stranger ko you should not trust. But if you'll meet Christian who has same beliefs, okay, you'll click right away and you'll start praying with him.
Right.
Like
you're programmed that way. No, you're programmed to think that, okay, when you meet your fellow Christian people in church, you are supposed to think.
But religion, constitution, everything is our ideas. They are myths we have created in our mind. Right. Are you getting my point? Because
yes.
Christianity ka purpose can connect you two together and make you work together. Otherwise, right, he's just a stranger and you're not supposed to talk to him and you're supposed to fight him. Actually, that's what animals do.
To be better,
because 150 तक 150 एक ऐसा नंबर है जिसमें तुम हायरार्कीज मेंटेन कर सकते हो. तुम्हें मतलब बहुत ज्यादा लेवल नहीं चाहिए. तुम्हारी फैमिली भी हो 150 लोगों की तो वो अच्छे से मैनेज्ड चल जाता है. 1-2 लोग अपना अपना काम करते हैं. बट अगर 300, 400, 500 लोग, 1000 लोग, 2000, 3000, उनको कैसे मैनेज करें? They all believe in same thing, and that is like we are purpose driven. Okay, and that is what makes us different. And until and unless you cannot find something to work hard for, to mission, and it has to be improving lives of another people. Like you cannot be working in a nicotine company, in a cigarette company, and be like, I'm improving lives of another. So most of those people are not living happy life and I think our purpose should not be happiness. I also believe that because happiness बहुत गलत चीजों से भी मिल सकती है.
Right. Oh God, yeah, that's true.
इसके बहुत और भी factors हैं. It has many dips, but you should make sure that what you are doing is leaving society better than you got it. And that's right. What I believe कि that is the real success if you can do that. Because नहीं करते हैं लोग. दुकान है राशन की, वो चला रहे हैं. They don't understand that how they are making society better, and you have to do it consciously. अगर तुम unconsciously भी कर रहे हो, भले ही तुम्हारे होने से society better हो रही है, but you're not contributing to it consciously, then you cannot scale it to another level.
You're living a monotonous life. You need to understand that even if I have a ration ki dukaan, am I doing my one bit? जैसे आप, you know, I've seen this ration की दुकान में they give that some amount every day to save it, right? वो एक अंकल आते collect करने, वो एक amount पैसे लेके जाते हैं. ये चीज अगर आप एक every day थोड़ा अमाउंट देके कुछ डोनेशन या समथिंग व्हिच यू फाइंड अ पर्पस ऑफ योर लाइफ टू डू इट, ट्राई टू मेक दैट मोनोटोनस लाइफ अ लिटिल मोर मीनिंगफुल एंड पर्पसफुल. आई थिंक दैट कैन हेल्प अ लॉट टू लिव अ पर्पस. और
इसमें सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है? आई सी स्पेशली यंगस्टर्स लाइक आवर एज, पीपल विल गेट ऑन द इंटरनेट एंड they'll donate to a NGO or a company who is like 500-600 kilometers or in another country, and उनके घर पे जो नौकर आ रहे हैं उनके बच्चों की एजुकेशन नहीं मिल रही.
That's very true. That's very true. I
hate that. And people will come to me that how can we do the charity? मैं कहता तेरे घर पे काम वाली आ रही है, उसको कपड़े दे दे, ठीक है, उसके बच्चों की एजुकेशन की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले ले. पहले मैं कहता हूं कि तुम्हें भगवान इतना दे कि तुम आसपास वाले लोगों की भी हेल्प करो, दूसरे देश में जो लोगों में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है उनमें भी हेल्प करो, बट पहले अपने आसपास वाले लोगों की करो.
Right.
It should always be your priority. And that's what I did. Like I took responsibility of education of kids in my office. तो वो मैंने अपने हिसाब से किया, ठीक है. I'm not telling you, अभी कुछ ऐसी NGOs भी हैं जिसमें मैं करता हूँ, I believe in them, but basically मैंने पहले यहाँ पे किया. तो वो नहीं मिस होना चाहिए.
I have been telling this to so many people since a very long time that, you know, education is the best gift you can give. Definitely now education does not mean that if that child is not interested तुम उठा के उनको डाल दो. समझो कि उनको किस चीज में इंटरेस्ट है. ऐसा भी कुछ होता है बच्चों को नहीं करना है, बट देयर माइट बी सम चाइल्ड जिसको सच में क्रिकेट में इंटरेस्ट है. फंड देम विद दैट if you feel that that person has that skill and the, you know, interest to grow in that field. I feel
exactly. And I also want to ask you, जैसे if I want to start, if I'm someone who want to start working on social media, what is the first advice you would like to give to me?
Be yourself. Like I have been saying this to so many people, it's like big people also. It's not like people who are just starting out. They have put out content in a way through which they have grown. They've grown successfully for sure. But they don't realize the fact that there will be a point where their audience will start hating upon them. I am so proud to say this कि मेरे एक भी comment में या एक भी message request में एक hate comment नहीं है. The reason being, if you would have seen my stories, I've seen your stories also. It's like तुम तुम्हारा vibe डालो ना, जो है वो डालो. You are that kind of a person. There was a point where I put श्रावण के टाइम पे मैंने चिकन की फोटोज डाली, बिरयानी की फोटोज डाली थी, एंड एवरीवन वाज लाइक कि आप कितने बुरे हो कि आप हमारे श्रावण के टाइम पे डाल रहे हो. तो मैंने बोला जब मेरे फास्ट होता है तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे खिलाते हैं. उस टाइम पे भी लोगों के जो हेट कमेंट्स नहीं थे, दे वर इन अ फनी वे because I said the truth. A lot of people, when they say the truth, they take it out very viciously. They're not putting their vibe into it. तुम जैसे हो वैसे डालो. And I have observed changes in clients जिन्होंने अपने जैसा ही रखा है. तुम कुछ भी करो. तुम अगर once I put up a story long back where my friend told me that you look very uncivilized in the story. So I said, so if I'm behaving like that, what if they meet me in person sometime and they realize कि मैं हूँ ही नहीं? A lot of people will not trust, but मैं जब कोई रेस्टोरेंट में जाती हूँ, किसी से भी पूछ लेना, I can never eat बिना वॉच निकाले, हाथ में से रिंग्स निकाले, पैर फोल्ड किए बिना मैं बड़े से बड़े रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं खा सकती हूँ. मेरे बाजू में मेरे वॉच, सब कुछ, मेरा दोनों हाथ खाली होना चाहिए, पैर फोल्ड होने चाहिए, and then I will eat because that is how I eat. I am not going to change that because I'm going for any meeting. And my friends had put up a story with that. I said, डालो. So I think the biggest key to growing on social media is be yourself, because people are very bored of seeing tailor-made things now. What matters is आप अपना vibe डालो. And I've seen you do that. I've seen so many creators do that. जिनकी stories देखने में मजा आता है.
I end up offending a lot number of people.
ठीक है ना?
But I always tell कि हाँ ठीक है. If I lose them, I want to lose them. If they get offended by what I do,
they're not your people. They're not your vibe. No.
हाँ,
you will only
exactly.
attract people from your vibe then.
तो I do dumb shit and मेरा मम्मा मेरी स्टोरी देख क्या की पाया है. अकल नहीं है कि तेनू क्या कर रहे हैं. तो मतलब I think कि नहीं, I'm just gonna be myself. And मतलब अभी तो थोड़ा सा फिर भी मैंने कंट्रोल कर दिया है, वरना I used to do a lot of shit and I still do it on Snapchat.
So I remember it's like you putting up stories of troubling your sister. We love it. Trust me, we love it. You would have seen मेरे maximum replies वो stories पे, because we feel you कि ओ हम भी ऐसा करते हैं, हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है, ओ मेरा भाई तो boring है, मेरा भाई तो ये करता ही नहीं है, that way.
हाँ, exactly. So yeah, be yourself, but also another question counter to this: how much? Because there has to be boundary. There has to be boundary in how much you have to be yourself.
Yes. So what I personally
because
feel,
most of the people like उनके अंदर गालियां चल रही हैं. They're very negative, and I don't think it's a good idea for them to be yourself.
So then they have to first know how to change themselves in a good way. See, what I personally feel is be yourself in a way which सामने वाले को तकलीफ ना हो. Social media is an open place. या कोई भी ओपन प्लेस में एक चीज बहुत ध्यान रखना है कि आप ऐसा कोई काम नहीं करो.
But Kanishka, to ability to think, you have to accept that you will offend some people.
Right, that's also very true. I mean, it's a very difficult question, to be very honest. When I say be yourself, yeah, that's actually like I had a client जिसको मैंने बोला that what are you doing right now. So I push my clients in a way कि आप स्टोरीज कैसे डालो कि मैं उनको रैंडमली बोलती हूँ व्हाट आर यू डूइंग राइट नाउ, सेंड मी अ पिक्चर. सो वन क्लाइंट सेंड टू मी दैट आई वाज चेकिंग एप्पल वॉचेस फॉर माई सेल्फ कि मैं कौन सी खरीदूं. तो आई सेड दैट्स रियली नाइस, पोस्ट कर दो ये. तो ही सेड नहीं यार, आई जस्ट सैमसंग जस्ट स्पॉन्सर्ड मी फॉर देयर प्रोडक्ट टू प्रमोट देयर वॉचेस. And I was like, for a second, I was like, wait, why did you even take that if you're thinking of buying an Apple Watch? Like, so to start out on social media, I don't know why, but I have the strong feeling to be yourself, but the ability to think, definitely. I mean, I don't know, Jashan, you put me in a dilemma right now. But
Yeah, because the point is when to ability to think, you have to be ready to offend some people, because when
yeah,
you
yeah.
put your perspective out, you will offend some people
No,
because
no.
they will
See,
not match what they're thinking.
no, no. See, I'll tell you what. When I say be yourself does not mean putting your perspective out completely. See, what I mean by saying be yourself is, अगर मैं आपको ऐसा बोल रही हूँ that Jashan to put stories out, you just be yourself. Be yourself मतलब मैं अगर कोई story डाल रही हूँ तो I might use a fake accent, or I might, talk in a way which I am trying to show which I am not. It's not just about perspective. Now, see, have you ever seen me putting my perspective on religion or anything outside? I've not done that on my stories. Like perspective on religion in a way that no, I don't like this specific religion or this is not what I have to be doing. My vibe is that there's a difference between putting your perspective on controversial topics and putting your perspective on light-hearted topics. So social media is a very light-hearted place until and unless definitely there's something that depth comes in. So what I believe is being yourself मतलब मेरे अंदर नहीं है अमेरिकन एक्सेंट तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगी, मुझे ऐसी इंग्लिश आती है तो मैं ऐसे ही बोलूंगी, चाहे फिर मैं एक अमेरिकन पर्सन के साथ इंटरव्यू कर रही हूँ या कोई भी पर्सन के साथ इंटरव्यू कर रही हूँ. सो इट्स लाइक बी योरसेल्फ मतलब डोंट ट्राई टू फेक समथिंग दैट यू आर नॉट. Now, perspectives on offending someone will completely depend on what kind of audience do you have. Like big creators like Rajamani, Abhi, and you cannot put out their personal perspectives because they're impacting a lot of audience. Creators forget that they're influencers also. So what does influencing mean? कि आप जो भी डाल रहे हो वो सामने वाले को influence कर रहा है. So when I say be yourself, it means about you as a person. जैसे you as a person can be your dressing, can be your with the way you talk, the way you sit, all of those things. Internally you can be hurting, internally you can do what, but what do you influence on people matters more. I don't know if I make sense when I say this.
Yeah, I think you want to say be true to yourself.
Yes, that way.
And coming इसमें आपने एक बात बोली specifically about Abhi and New. Abhi and New end up offending many people. Have you seen that? Especially leftists,
Yes.
because with their opinion. And
But but they don't talk without facts. That I've seen. When they mention a lot of things, the reason why I specifically mentioned about Abhi and New, because Abhi and New, I've seen the way New researches. I've seen the way she talks. She researches about things. So when they talk about some perspective, they made a video on one girl, some Oxford ki some girl thi and all. That's because they spoke to that girl. They spoke to the people around. Until they don't have facts and things to support what they're talking, they will not put out a video. That is why they take time to put that video out also.
But Kanishka, there's also another point now कि इसमें facts also vary with your
Can be
mindset.
altered. Right.
They cannot be altered, but it vary from your perspective. Like if you are cynical or pessimist, the same fact you see is completely different. Like if you see like especially with the COVID and everything, you can be like India में तो इतने ही cases हुए due to the percentage of population. But if a pessimist or leftist sees it and he'll be like इतने ज़्यादा केस हुए. Okay, with the same fact. Like किसी के लिए वो जैसे पुराना एग्जांपल, आधा ग्लास भरा आधा ग्लास खाली. तो वो I think on social media at one point or another, and to be honest with me, I'll say कि I'm कुछ क्रिएटर्स ऐसे ना जो पहले से we are not reels creator, हम पहले से लगे हुए हैं, तो we have offended good amount of people, and उसमें कभी-कभी हमारी भी गलती हुई है. I completely
नहीं, definitely. But I'll tell you what, Jashan, it's not your fault or it's not anybody's fault. What I personally feel is, for example, if I am a person who does not have a figure like Komal Pandey, okay, just because I don't have a figure and just because I cannot pull the clothes that she wears does not give me the right to actually go and tell her कि क्या कपड़े पहन रहे हो. But on the other hand, I genuinely like Masoom Meena style. I really like the way she carries herself, the clothes that she wears.
I was listening Jordan Peterson, and he was saying the biggest flaw social media has that people talk to each other like they know each other.
Yes.
Like I'll go someone, I'll see कि मुझे उनके कपड़े पसंद नहीं आए, and I'll just go into comment section and bash them.
Yes.
If you meet them in public, would you do that? No. Definitely not.
Right.
And go comment on their picture like I seriously know them and I don't like what they are wearing, and I have right to put my opinion out to them, which is not relatively true in like real life out of
Right.
social media. And I completely believe in that. तो वो एक टू बी ऑनेस्ट जब स्टार्ट करता है एक नए क्रिएटर के लिए, एंड अगर उसने कुछ अलग स्टार्ट किया है, टू हैंडल क्रिटिसिज्म इज वेरी टफ. एंड for me also it was initially very tough because I've been a person from day one कि जो वो फिटनेस एडवाइस नहीं देगा जिससे लाइक्स कमेंट शेयर्स आएंगे, मैं सच्ची एडवाइस दूंगा. एंड आई
जो आप फील कर रहे हो.
एंड इफ यू हैव नोटिस्ड आई एम वेरी ब्लंट विद व्हाट आई से.
Right.
एंड मैं उसको आई बैक इट अप विद अ वेरी स्ट्रांग ओपिनियन एंड फैक्ट्स. ठीक है, आई एटलीस्ट आई ट्राई टू. ठीक है, कभी कभी हो सकता है मैं भी
Again, see, nahi, Jashan, now you said like facts vary. So what I wanted to say with that Komal Pandey wala thing was, just because I don't have a figure like her, I won't be a genuine follower. But I like Masoom Minawala, so I'll be a genuine follower of hers. Now what happens with creators like Abhi and you also, Samjho, if they might have an opinion, if your opinion matches with them, follow them. If it doesn't match, then there are other people who talk contrary to what Abhi and you talk. Similar for you. When you back up something with facts and opinions, if I feel that okay, I need to follow the diet, or I genuinely like what Jashan is posting, people will follow you. People who don't and people who give criticism are the people जिनका उनका और आपका opinion differ करता है. And आप उनके सामने कितने भी बीन बजा लो, वो लोग नहीं मानेंगे.
एंड मैंने ये
क्योंकि वो अलग है.
मैं अपना एग्जांपल दूं तो मैंने नोटिस किया, I said it very clearly that it's far better to be happy poor than rich sad. Okay, and most of the people bashed me कि चलो तेरे पास तो है पैसा तो इसलिए बोल रहा है ये वो. एंड वो बहुत पुराना कोट है ना कि बेहतर है कि हम मर्सिडीज में बैठ कर रोएं उससे साइकिल पे बैठ कर रोने से. ठीक है, मैंने कहा साइकिल पर तुम हंस रहे हो, पहली बात तो it's happy poor and rich sad. It's you can be happy and you can be rich. Point is, if you have to choose, that is my opinion, that I'll be rather happy poor than rich sad, because I have been happy poor and I've also been rich sad, and I will always choose happy poor. That's my opinion, because मैंने वो देखी एडवर्सिटी. मैंने बहुत अमीर लोग डिप्रेशन एंजाइटी में सुसाइड करते भी देखा है. ठीक है, बहुत अमीर लोग. ओके, द प्लेस वेयर आई लिव पीपल आर फिल्दी रिच, दे आर इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट. यहाँ पे इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा लोहे का शहर है, इट्स मंडी बंदर, इट्स कॉल्ड स्टील सिटी. इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट एक से एक रहते हैं, एंड उनको रात को नींद नहीं आती है बिकॉज टेक्सास में इतनी ज्यादा चोरी है. ठीक है, तो हाँ, दो आई हैव सीन रिच सैड एंड आई नेवर वांट टू बी लाइक देम, नेवर.
That's what I was saying. No, satisfaction is the definition for success.
Exactly.
If I cannot, like, okay, so I'll tell you this. So, Bible में एक चीज लिखा था, and so we pray every day, right? Family prayers. So family prayers में ना, my brother was reading something from the Bible, and उसमें said कि बहुत सारा धन इंसान की नींद चोरी कर लेता है. I'm forgetting the reference, and these are not the exact words, but बहुत सारा धन इंसान की नींद चोरी कर लेता है. And so it's like, I've just been started earning and it's grown well and all. मेरा भाई ऐसे करके मेरे तरफ देखता है ऊपर, like, I was sitting ऐसे बेड पे, वो ऐसे करके ऊपर मुझे देखता है. Thank God मैंने उस दिन वॉच पहनी थी, मैंने उसको दिखाया, मैं उसी दिन मैं 9 hours 37 minutes सोई. And I'm like, ये देख मेरी नींद चोरी हुई है या मुझे ज्यादा अच्छे से नींद आ रही है. So again, it's like happy poor rich sad also depends on. For example, it can also be for you, Jashan, even if you are saying that you're rich sad, still you have a little satisfaction. You're still a warrior. You're still feeling like you're doing it, right? Now that is an opinion of yours, which people should respect, because that is what you feel. Did you tell them that आप भी ऐसा सोचो? You didn't tell them कि आप भी ऐसा सोचो. But definitely social media is a place कि लोगों को आधे लोगों को काम धंधा नहीं है.
Yeah, I do this. I've seen this. I do this series of uncomfortable truth on Jashan Talk sometimes, and it does make people very uncomfortable, because I know those truths are actually very uncomfortable. And,
have you watched Carrie Minati's that video जहाँ पे वो एक कंपनी बनती है लोगों को क्रिटिसाइज करने की ट्विटर पे?
नहीं.
एक वीडियो you must see, like, he's actually called out on people जो it feels like there's a community of people sitting to get creators down जो कुछ भी गलत करते हैं that way.
अब वो मुझे बहुत देर पहले ही I think पापा ने भी समझाया था that what you are doing is not average, and you will end up offending many people, because it's not average, simply because we get uncomfortable with एनीथिंग अदर देन एवरेज. लाइक कोई बच्चा हम देखेंगे कि जो बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ता है उसको बोलेंगे कि यार तू क्या पढ़ता रहता है, तू खेला कर. कोई बच्चा बहुत ज्यादा खेलता है उसको बोलते तू खेलता ही रहता, पढ़ लिया कर.
पढ़ाई कर लो
Because
थोड़ा.
we like average. We like
That's
people to
true.
wake up, go on a job, decent job, आओ वापस सो जाओ. ठीक है. If anything get around the horizon, we'll be like, ये तू क्या कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है. And
Right.
because वो बहुत देर पहले ही मुझे अपन ने समझा दिया कि हम जो कर रहे हैं, it's not on the average. Okay, it's far beyond the
Way
average.
above that. That's true.
And you have to be very comfortable with the criticism. You have to be very comfortable with the accusations. And जितनी accusations मेरे पे लगी मैं बता भी नहीं सकता. And तो वो हर चीज फेस की है इनिशियली. एंड अभी बहुत ज्यादा उस चीज को लेकर रेजिलिएंट हो गए हम लोगों का. फर्क ज्यादा पड़ता नहीं है चीजों का. ओपिनियन बेस्ड सोसाइटी में हम जीते हैं बट ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. स्पेशली
Right.
मेरे को एक पॉइंट पे पॉलिटिक्स से बहुत इफेक्ट. आई वाज ह्यूजली इफेक्टेड विद पॉलिटिक्स. Hugely as in because I think you must have heard about farmers protest. Okay, so पंजाब में वो बहुत ही ज्यादा टॉक्सिक एनवायरनमेंट था. अभी भी है कुछ हद तक, पर जब शुरू हुआ इट वाज ह्यूजली टॉक्सिक. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग माय ओपिनियन ऑन दिस. ठीक है, मैं ओपिनियन तो नहीं बताऊंगा. बट द थिंग इज कि वो चीज बहुत ज्यादा मेरे दिमाग में चल रही थी. आई वाज ओवरथिंकिंग आई टॉकिंग ऑन दिस. ओके. And I end up fighting with some of my old friends also because they had opposite opinion. And I understood how toxic this is. So everybody who had opinion about it, and मुझे जहां से opinion मिल रहे थे, I completely unfollowed them on social media. नहीं, I want to stay away from this. Okay. And that's when I started doing I'll start following people with the same niche as much as possible. किसी के 500 follower भी है ना, if they are doing good, I was going and following them. Yeah, I just want to look straight, be focused on what I do, because I cannot do shit about politics. My opinion even doesn't matter. I cannot do shit. Okay.
Right.
Even if I have an opinion, I cannot change government. And if I like the government, I cannot I cannot change farmers. Okay. My opinion is not gonna matter. So चलो अभी अपना काम करेंगे बस. वो ही
Right.
Okay.
But that's because you accepted, no, Jashan. A lot of people out there don't want to accept. You said that you fought with your friends on it. People will say like, उन्होंने मेरे से fought किया है.
हाँ.
Fight किया है.
यार सोशल मीडिया बहुत माइंडफुली यूज करना पड़ता है, because
That's true.
if you allow yourself to get away with it, it gets hugely toxic. So 1 or 2 questions. Okay.
Sure.
What things do you do to improve yourself on daily basis?
Okay, now this is actually a very tricky question because I can't really say that I read, I do courses and all of that. To be very honest, now I've come to a point where I do things, I'm very mindful of things to be better. Like for example, to improve, I'll be very honest. So I'm at a stage where मेरी मुझसे बड़ी बहन की शादी फिक्स हो गई और मेरे से छोटी बहन की शादी फिक्स हो गई. सो आई एम लाइक दैट सैंडविच जो बीच में अकेली है. ठीक है, माय पेरेंट्स डोंट फोर्स मी टू गेट मैरिड, बट a girl's definition of improving herself changes because I am at a stage where I have to be so mindful that tomorrow if my parents say, no, Kanishka, this rishta is really good, you have to get married, you should get married, have to to nahi bolenge, you should get married. So I should know that as a wife or as a daughter-in-law, am I good enough? Along with improving my business. So now I'm trying to manage time while handling household things. I can't just be self-centered and keep on reading books all the time, keep on seeing courses all the time, along with things, okay? Because I do that also. I read books also. I'm reading the book called Mom's Test. It's a really good book. But I'm cooking at home. I'm sitting with my parents more. So I feel that not just for girls, for everyone, the definition of improving changes time period to time period, year to year. So I have to be mindful of the way I talk a little because मैं ससुराल जाके ऐसे मतलब चल यार क्या I can't talk like that for sure, right? थोड़ा तो भी at least first 1 month रंग नहीं दिखाना है, just kidding. So what I mean by that is that I have to be mindful of cooking, I have to be mindful of taking care of the house, keeping my surrounding clean, taking care of sitting with my parents, all of that. So what I do is I have become more mindful in a sense of am my words are not hurting people, am I being kind, am I being a better person, am I just constantly learning along with doing other things in life. एक पॉइंट आया था when my mom said ठीक है अगर बिजनेस अच्छा चल रहा है तो घर के कुछ भी काम मत कर, I'll do everything from setting up your cupboard to everything. So right now what I'm doing every day to improve myself, definitely I would say reading is one of them, because that is the most true knowledge that you can get. Because podcast is something जो हमने बोल दिया, हमें हमारी words की कीमत भी नहीं होती है, हमने बोल दिया that way. But books is something which is written बहुत सारे corrections के बाद. That is one thing. Improving in a way wherein I'm trying to be that complete dhamaka of a lot of things in the house, taking care of things, getting new things for the house. Because if I am not in the house anymore, मेरी mom को ज़्यादा तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए. For the longest time, she's not like कि वो उससे पोछा मारना, but मैंने उनको force करके वो करवाया. So I think I'm improving as a person to be a better daughter, better neighbor, better, I don't know, better sister. Like my brother, I tell him कि अभी आके you can talk things to me. Better friend. That way, maybe I would suggest. I would say like.
Okay, इसमें दो चीजें. First of all, I would really want to appreciate because you're like learning things. Because I see these pseudo feminists. They're like मैं क्यों करूँ, मैं नहीं करूँगी, लड़की ही क्यों करे ये वो.
Right.
That's really good because you understand that as a family member, as a daughter or daughter-in-law, you have to contribute to your family. That's
right.
really
Definitely.
And दूसरी चीज जैसे आपने बोला,
चीज है ना जशन, आई नो आई माइट गेट सम हेट फॉर द मेकिंग द स्टेटमेंट, बट जो लड़की का एसेंस है और जो लड़की का काम है ना, वो लड़की कर सकती है. घर बनाना, घर को एकजुट रखना.
No, because this is backed by science. What you have said, let me tell you, this is biological study. It is actually most influential study recently which explained that men and women are actually different on some basis.
They are different.
Men are more interested in things. Women are more interested in people. It's biological. And that is why in ancient time, most of the times men used to go out to work and women used to manage families. Okay. And वो पेट्रियार्की बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब लोग ज्यादा पुश कर देते हैं that women equality. हाँ, पहले issues थे, बहुत ज्यादा थे. बट पहले बर्थ कंट्रोल नहीं था. Are you getting my point? तो वो भी बहुत से फैक्टर्स थे जिसकी वजह से women were managing family. तो वो I think feminism is good, but most of the times you get so extreme and एक आइडियोलॉजी बिल्ड कर ले तो जो सूडो फेमिनिज्म बन जाती है, वो बहुत ज्यादा डेंजरस हो जाती है. एंड इसके बाद एक और क्वेश्चन आई वांट टू आस्क यू. इसी के बीच में आपने जैसे बोला आपकी बड़ी सिस्टर की भी मैरिज हो रही है, छोटी की भी हो रही है. सो डू यू गेट दिस फोमो that if you will focus so much on career, you'll miss on the right partner maybe?
Oh yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say miss on the right partner because I'm not a person of belief कि अगर मैं बीच में शादी कर लूँ तो मेरा करियर ठप हो जाएगा. Because I have attained a way कि मुझे अगर मेरा लैपटॉप भी नहीं रहा ना, सिर्फ फोन भी रहा ना, मैं दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से मुझे इंटरनेट कनेक्शन तो I can work. I should just have internet connection and one phone. I can work from anywhere.
You have to give it time ना, but वो मुझे मेरे ही एक फ्रेंड ने बहुत जबरदस्त फोमो दिया because he was like जशन वो होता ही है दोस्तों में कब शादी करनी है. लाइक मैं तो 29-30 में सोचूंगा. या तो 29-30 में सोचेगा कब करेगा. एंड इज लाइक क्या, मेरे को एक बात बता, तो 29-30 में करेगा, ठीक है. ऑब्वियसली कोई भी लड़की हमारी साथ वाली 29-30 की वेट तक वेट नहीं करेगी. देन हाउ विल यू गेट अ मैच्योर गर्ल विद योर एज? And like मेरे पास इसका जवाब नहीं है.
No, but for boys it is recommended कि थोड़ा लेट शादी करो. This is something which
मेरे लिए it matters from person to person. If you are mature enough, if you have things little bit sorted to carry on your family, if you are ready at 24, go ahead. But if you are
definitely.
If you want to try, because I want to experiment, and once I have a family, I cannot do that.
Right, definitely makes sense.
तो मेरे पे बहुत ज्यादा pressure होगा.
Yeah. So you know, it's like I don't feel like I'll miss on the right partner because I know for a fact that my parents are going to choose a partner for me, and फिर वो कैसा भी choose करे.
So you'll go for arranged marriage, huh?
Yeah, 100% arranged marriage, definitely, no doubts at all. But I just have this one thing that I think in mind. कभी-कभी you know ego आ जाता है दिमाग में that okay, I talk well, I have a pretty good height like compared to other girls. It's not like I'm comparing, but it's like I have a decent height. घर की भी काम करती हूँ. I am very homely also. Like if you see me ना, like proper खाना बनाना, किसी के लिए care करना, I'm kind, I earn well, सब कुछ है. फिर ऐसे लगता है यार, will I find someone of that capability कि सच में वो मिलेगा that way?
That hit my sister a lot. पहले जब उनका रिश्ता नहीं हुआ था, and we were looking for someone, that hit my sister a lot, and this used to tense us also because she earns very good. Like when I say very good, and तो हमें ये था कि सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये आती है कि यार अगर मेल ईगो हुई कि इज माय वाइफ अर्निंग मोर देन मी,
अर्निंग मोर, या
एंड दूसरी चीज कि फैमिली एक्सेप्ट करेगी उसकी, ठीक है, चलो उसने कर लिया फैमिली, पर वो सारी चीजें आई थिंक सॉर्ट आउट हो जाती हैं वंस यू विल फाइंड द राइट पर्सन.
राइट.
एंड यू नो वी टॉक्ड सो मच आउट ऑफ दिस. मतलब मैं, मम्मा, पापा, पलक दीदी, हम चारों लोग बैठ के इस चीज को डिस्कस करते थे कि किस टाइप का लड़का ढूंढे कि हमारी सिचुएशन ये बेहतर हो.
राइट.
And we had so much conversation and we realized it always comes to one single factor कि इंसान अच्छा होना चाहिए.
राइट. वेरी ट्रू.
जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो वो फिगर आउट हो जाएगी.
वेरी ट्रू. वेरी वेरी
और
वेरी
तुम बेस्ट सिचुएशन क्रिएट कर लो, बट उसके बीच में अगर गलत इंसान बैठ के आके बैठ गया, वो बेस्ट सिचुएशन को भी वर्स्ट सिचुएशन में कर देगा. And
Right.
at the end of the day, we were like, अच्छा नहीं, अच्छा लड़का ही ढूंढेंगे. And luckily we found one. So this happened. And
You know, there was a point कि I had gone, so we have a godfather who selects all of this, and then उन्होंने बोला that I found one boy for Kanishka, we'll make them meet, ऐसा वैसा करके मैं डर गई because I was like, am I prepared? I don't know what to do because तब तो मुझे खाना बनाना भी नहीं आता था. Because for me it's like अगर my parents are giving me to somebody else's hand, I need to give myself कि मैं मेरे मॉम डैड का नाम नीचे नहीं करूं कि लड़की को क्या सिखा के भेजा वो कोई बोल ना पाए दैट वे. सो मैं डर गई थी. मैं ट्रैवल कर रही थी एंड मैं उधर मम्मा को पीछे कार में छुप के कॉल कर रही हूँ क्योंकि पापा सामने बैठे थे. पीछे छुप, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू, प्लीज हेल्प मी. यू नो, मेरी मॉम को समझ, इवन माई मॉम डजंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वर्क आई एम डूइंग, बट उन्होंने मुझे एक वर्ड बोलते हुए सुना है. शी टोल्ड मी समथिंग ऑन द कॉल दैट डे. शी इज लाइक, तू ये सब क्यों सोच रही है, तुझे नहीं करना है, हमने nobody forced you. But she told me one statement that she said, you were focusing something on Forbes 30 under 30 ना, तो उस पे फोकस करना पहले, वो तो फिर बाद में देखेगी. And I was like, oh shit, my mom notices, she knows what matters to me, she knows that मुझे ये करना है. And then that's when I realized कि जब पेरेंट्स है ना, पेरेंट्स को भी मालूम है कि बेटी को क्या चाहिए. और फिर मैंने बोला, आपको जो चुनना है, जिसको चुनना है लेके आओ. द डे यू से दैट दिस इज द राइट टाइम, राइट पर्सन, you have me, do what you want to, I'll do that. So अब FOMO नहीं आता. There was a point it creeped and I cried for 3 hours continuously on the call. 5 घंटे की जर्नी थी, 3 घंटे में because नेटवर्क ब्रेक हो रहा था ना, तो कॉल कट हो रहा था. मम्मी से कॉल नहीं लग रहा है. पापा मेरे को पीछे देखते हैं. पापा ने बोला, क्या हुआ, तू रो रही है? नहीं, किधर रो रही हूँ मैं. एंड आई एम लाइक फुल एक्टिंग. एक तो आई कैन एक्ट वेरी वेल. सो बाद में पापा वाज टेलिंग, पापा क्यों रो रही थी? बोले, मुझे लग ही रहा था खुसुर फुसुर कर रही थी पीछे बैठ के. दैट वे. बट नाउ अभी नहीं आता है फोमो.
आई गेट इट.
पहले आता था.
सो लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, एंड ओके, इसका काउंटर क्वेश्चन है 5 people everyone should follow on Instagram. I'm going to write down names. We're gonna mention their bio in niche video link में. 5 people everyone should follow.
Okay, so one definitely is Jashan. And Jashan talks. I'm not talking about Jashan which guys, not, please not. I am clearly telling you this because Jashan के story, specifically when he mentions such deep things, Jashan, मुझे 2 बार stories पढ़ने पड़ते हैं. And I'm not saying this, it's because of you. You know how much I like that page Jashan talks, because when I look at it, I'm like, wait, what has he written? Let me read it again. ऐसा होता है वो मेरे लिए, to be very honest. Like that day also you wrote something very beautiful about social media on your personal account ka stories. That is one thing. Second thing is, you know, I found these very small creators जिनका content I like, not just about knowledge, but in terms of the fun that they give, the kind of, you know, enlightenment that they give. There's this creator called is Maria Anthony. I'll give you her profile link. She's a doctor. She makes funny content on doctors, like literally funny content on doctors. She has like around 5,000 followers. I came across her profile when she had 3,000 followers. Super funny and cute content. That girl, I'll send you her profile link. Dr. Okay. Maria Anthony something her name is. Another thing is, to be very honest, in terms of someone influencing me to be what one should be on Instagram is Fitness Talks with Pranit. Not for fitness, I would say, but the kind of motivation, not even motivation, I would say. It's the kind of trueness that I get from him. You know, the way that he told openly ki my dad was a rickshaw driver. And now I have built this for myself. उनके डैड ने बोला था that मैं यही रास्ते पे रिक्शा चला था and today my son is riding this thing. Maybe it kind of motivates me to think okay, maybe I can do it too. Maybe I can do
Definitely
that.
you can do it. Definitely, yeah.
And you know, I was seeing one of his videos wherein I have seen him being super civilized, and I've also seen him behave like, you know, as a typical jungli hota hai, and I've seen him behave like that also. On the same page.
मेरा भी ऐसे ही है मेरा. And मतलब obviously my family and friends have seen that side of me, and so anybody who will hang out with me for more than 24 hours
So
will
वो आप
see.
stories पे डालो, because you know it makes us feel like okay, ऐसा भी होता है, हम भी डाल सकते हैं. Maybe that is one thing. Second, the next one is Abhi and New for sure. The Abhi and New wala thing is because I don't know, it motivates me for the consistency in a way ki, because when I went to their house na Jashan, the setup, matlab setup in a way as in 2 people with no team members, literally no team members. वो लोग videos title भी खुद लिखते हैं, subtitles लिखते हैं. उनके जो English channel का था, that time also they didn't know that they should be using a specific you know thing कि वो directly subtitles use कर ले. So it makes me feel like इतना hard work, because back end देख लिया ना मैंने सिर्फ front end नहीं देखा है, back end देख लिया है. So I feel Abhi and New for sure, because एक point आ जाता है where they break down and they say that you're not supposed to do this, because उनकी audience ऐसी है ना, they become very toxic at a point. They'll come lashing out on them a lot. But in spite of that, they're continuing. They didn't give up that way. And एक और person है ना, shit, I might end up hurting so many people as such. I might forget, it's like there are really good people that way. Finance field में there are a lot of good people, but it's like I don't understand which is right finance and which is wrong finance. Because मैं एक person का content देखती हूँ, फिर देखती हूँ दूसरा person बोल रहा है ये तो गलत
Yeah,
finance.
I also don't understand most of the finance things. I try to
हाँ.
grasp it, but इतना relate नहीं कर पाता मैं.
Yeah, let me just check. Maybe उनके मुझे देख के याद है.
Go with the most interacted following में जाके.
Interacted. It's like I hardly, you know, you and few people are the only people who I talk to. I don't reply or talk to as such. But
And
yeah,
as you
I'll give
said
you
कि-
one real.
As you said कि जैसे you really like what I do on stories on Jashan Talks, and you know somebody asked me why did you create Jashan Talks, and I usually I replied them कि with Jashan is what I do, Jashan Talks is what I am, and
Right.
so वो that I had that idea in my mind and it came very instant, but I took action and जल्दी से मैंने उसको apply किया.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'll give you 2 names. Okay, one as a creator is Swagata Dev. She's a fashion, like, you know, as a beauty and this thing creator. So I had spoken to her, and she also does everything on her own with the dedication and the kind of content she puts. She's also very fun loving and chill person. मतलब उसका fashion देख के ऐसा लगता है कि oh, this is something that I can do. जब वो ऐसे makeup करके निकल जाती है ना without doing proper makeup, she says it on her stories कि आज मैंने ना ऐसे करके निकला. And one more person I have to mention, he has a private account, he's not a creator, he's actually a very big entrepreneur. Anshul Khadwalia. Anshul Khadwalia. He has a private account, only 3,000 followers. If that person accepts your friend request, you will be entertained like anything.
So basically, if you see your list, you have covered someone who affects your mindset. You can say Jashan Talks, okay?
Yes.
उसके बाद you say Maria Anthony.
For funny content.
For funny.
Funny but valuable content. Funny and valuable content.
Praneet shifts your perspective and also inspires you.
That person, because I see that person, क्योंकि मैं scratch से कुछ कर सकती हूँ that way.
Abhi and New, you relate with them for the content creation and for their consistency.
Yes, content creation and for the consistency. Yes.
And once you said another one is makeup artist. Name is?
Swagata Dev.
And
as a woman, I relate to her a lot. As a woman, I relate to her. Like, you know, she just, when I reached out to her and she was like, ki, first तो my boyfriend used to help me with all of this. अब मैं खुद ही करती हूँ. I don't even know मैं क्यों content बना रही हूँ, but मुझे मजा आता है. I was like, how can someone be so honest in the first meet कि मैं क्यों बना रही हूँ, but मुझे मजा आता है, तो मैं करती हूँ.
And I think that's a very good awareness, because most of the people don't realize that they did not want to be content creators. Reels have made them.
Right. Yeah.
And people will come up to me and they'll be like मेरी रील के 1 million हो गई तो मैं अब क्या करूं. मैंने कहा तू कंटेंट क्रिएटर नहीं है बॉस. It's a blessing of algorithm. Don't act
Yes.
like you are a content creator, okay? And I think मैंने Jashan Talks पे भी बोला था. I think the biggest misconception and the worst celebration you can do is celebrate your number of followers and views, because it's not in your control. You're not controlling how many followers you get and how many views you get.
Yes, very
And
true,
once you start celebrating something which is not in your control, it will get out of control one day, and it will get down. Numbers will come down because they're numbers. They go up and down, and when they'll go down, you will be anxiety stricken. And this is what happens with most of the people. That's why they care very much about likes, comments and views, okay? And वो बहुत ज्यादा बुरी चीज और बहुत टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप हो जाता है सोशल मीडिया के साथ, बिकॉज यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग. आई सी पीपल सेलिब्रेटिंग 10,000 फॉलोअर्स, 10,000, 100,000 फॉलोअर्स. मैंने भी किया. मैंने भी अपने 100,000 फॉलोअर्स सेलिब्रेट किए, बट लेटर इट केम लाइक अ यूरेका मोमेंट टू मी कि नो, यू शुड नॉट सेलिब्रेट दिस बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल. एंड आई नेवर डिड. उसके बाद आई नेवर सेलिब्रेटेड एनी काइंड ऑफ नंबर्स ऑन सोशल मीडिया. Thank you very much, Kanishka, and I love doing what I'm doing, and because I get to talk to people like you, and it's really exciting, and it started because of you. It started.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
I've been procrastinating a lot.
Kind.
You know, let me show you. It was list of my New Year's resolution of 2021, and it was on my New Year's list resolution that I want to start a podcast, and you helped me start it. Otherwise, I think I'm sure I'm gonna procrastinate it anymore. So because I was checking के goals कौन से achieve नहीं हुए, and I'll start working for them for like last of जो 1.5 महीना बचा है. So yeah, so you helped me start it. So thank you very much. I had a great time, and so keep doing what you are doing. Keep inspiring people. Keep making people laugh. And thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you.